career about to blast like bubbly. I'm not waiting for her to say she love me. I can tell she fuck with me, man, trust me. I got a 10-year-old me still like fuzzy. 325 on the dashboard. Riding the Porsche, rocking Tom Ford. I bought out Bernie's new Christian Dior. I took the jet to the New York store. She lit while I'm driving, I'm standing the floor. I took it off track, now I'm riding this boy. You stay in your feelings, you never my boy. I can't come to the hood, I pull a decoy. Another body dropping, they screaming my name. I'm going to LA on a private plane. Could never come back in my family straight. I'm touchable, no, I'm too rich or too paid. Skeleton, Cartier, black diamond spades. Pull up too deep like a fucking parade. Old jealous ass niggas try to fuck up my pay. Black star, Aurora's culling in rain. I put baguettes in my wrist, in my neck, in my ears, in my motherfucking chains. This drip out the trenches, I know you gon' dig it. I go through these motherfucking planes. I cut up my wrist open wet and Coachella keep calling, they won't see the fame. I took her to China and changed up her climate and now she ain't talking the same.
5 nights up, still popping and raging. The SVR still living the range. I want her, she wanted the same. And above same time, both glad that they came. Keep me a vibe, can't keep it contained. No, I keep me some dolls, always keep me in training. Tat a logo on the back of my brain. Don't ask me what the fuck am I thinking. Back of these walls, I'm full of that drink. Air came through with a little entertainment. Air 29 got it looking like space. Houston is a problem where we busting her faces. Shit. I came with the snakes, no squid. Straight up, I broke out the game with a 4-5-6. She loving the fest, I see it. She loving the fest, yeah, I see it on her face. And I'm loving that body and lace. And I love you, little spider and Jack. Yeah, I know you got taste. If you love yourself, take shots with me. If I love you, I drop you a pin to a time and a place.
YSL put a nigga 6 feet. I ain't begging when I tell a bitch please. Me and Lil Thug on fleek. Not a little hoe wanna meet. Hey, what? Fuck on beat. OVO life not cheap. All me on boy 2T. Why I just hit my account, never seen that amount. Oh God, I'm geek. Been on the charts for 500 weeks, so somebody love when I speak. Doing this shit just to show we get down in the 6, man, it's bigger than me. Texas ran so big, that shit is perfect for the dipping. I don't care how wet I get her, she won't catch me. 325 on the dashboard, riding a Porsche, rocking Tom Ford, rocking the bed in the headboard. What? Buying out Louis and Christian Dior. I took the jet to the New York store, park at a regular airport. You stay in your feelings was never my boy.
What up? Good morning. Good morning, everyone. It's gonna be an amazing day, hopefully. It's like an Algro GJ day, crazy. I forgot how to stream. It's a pip. Alright, man, I really forgot how to do this stuff.
Yeah. $500,000 got insurance on my watch. $500,000 now I got me.
What is Forex, sir?
I told her, Mom, be careful, bitch, all on my expense. I told her, watch the wheels on the Benz, cause it ain't ready. Talking about that bitch, boy, I got plenty. I'm talking about a lot, like $1 million and pennies. He puts his rhyme ways, why they motherfucking spinning. And my diamonds black like spades.
Yo, everyone here right now is all the loyal people.
I got a call from the
all the loyal people are here in the chat.
I just
if you ain't here right now this second, you ain't loyal.
I put these rats on your
to DVS, you ain't loyal. Yo, welcome. What up? What up, Adnan?
I'm just that nigga with that $1 million TP. I came from them, but that ain't how the world.
Good morning, Josh. What's going on?
I'm happy, I guess that's how the girls get me. I told my nigga, don't be worried about no CC. I'ma have your shit together by your B-day. I told him just don't go outside, there'll be no cheesecake. I wanna see you on the building, not on P Street.
We back.
Yeah. $500,000 got insurance on my watch.
I forgot how to do this.
$500,000.
I forgot how to do this, chat. Well, welcome to first day of class. Yeah, I went on vacation. Yeah, for real. Glad to have you back. Glad to be back, man. If you guys haven't noticed, the room is different. The room color is different. It looks so nice on stream. Wow. Looks so much nice on stream. So much nicer. How's Vancouver? How's the trip? It was good. It was good. It was pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I needed it. I didn't like Vancouver as much. Not gonna lie to you guys, chat. I didn't like it as much. I think of all Canada, I've been to Montreal, Ottawa, Vancouver, and Toronto. I think Toronto stays at the top for me, and the next up is Montreal. Vancouver's below Montreal, I think, for me. I don't know. Vancouver's was alright. It was alright. Zoom link? Oh shit. Oh, I'm telling you, I'm rusty. I'm sorry. Hold on. Give me a second. I knew I was missing something. I was thinking here in the intro, like, what am I missing? I should be doing something right now. And it's a Zoom call. My bad. Here we go. Discord. Okay, we back chat. We back to making content, back to doing all of this again, back to stream, back to trading. It feels good, man. Feels good. I didn't take one single trade for the past 15 days, or my bad, 10 days I think it was, right? Not even. I think it's like more less than that, but still. Hold on, let me just do this. Boom. And then mods get the call as well. Announcements. Oh wait, wrong channel. Announcements channel, not the NY session. Cool. Alright. What do you got going on today? What do you have going on today? You have, let's see. Yeah, CPI for AUD. You got not much going on. Whoa, who's Mike? What up, Wix? What up, Jag? What's going on? Today you have no USD news, 9 a.m. HPI. Okay, consumer confidence at 10 a.m. We don't gotta worry about that stuff, right? Cool. So let's get started on our analysis, shall we? Hey, chat, what's up, Pip? How did I drop my form resistance again? I'm playing. I'm pretty sure I'll probably never lose the skills to trade, honestly. Unless I take like a 10-year break or something, but it's pretty pinned in my head. All right, real quick, let me just do my analysis and then we can talk. All right, so starting off of GJ here, the weekly is looking like last week was bearish. However, if you look closely, we closed bearish, but we closed respecting the support here. So therefore, this week I would expect price to drive up towards the next level of resistance. Real quick though, I want to see how the monthly candle looks because we're at 157. Yeah, so look left on the monthly time frame. Where does it show that we're pushing towards? 160. Because looking left there, you have all this clean traffic as we're breaking above these areas here. You have all these levels here that are very clean here. So I would expect price to continue up towards that resistance today, or not today. At the end of the month, we have 5 days left, so see what happens. But I'm still bullish for the week, for a month. The weekly is bullish as well. Shows the signs that if we do end up coming up this week and we do break the highs here, that'll be a weekly start play for price to drive up. Therefore, we can look for buys going up towards looking left again, 161-ish. All right. But for the day candle, we actually closed bullish last night. So there's a resist. Price is pushing up at some point, and then price create a resistance, and then create a support. Right. So if you look closely, this could be another range as well. And if this is a range, and we do end up closing back into the range, this could be called a fake out as well for price to really drive up to fill the rest of the range. Right. But other than that, if you look at it from this perspective though, it's just support and resistance. So price found support, closes bullish at support. So now you expect price to continue up to retest the highs at resistance. And then after that, it could potentially continue up to fill the next areas of resistance. If it closes above the range here today, which I'd likely think it may. But we gotta see. And then price can drive up towards next resistance. But I am bullish today. Minimum target for a day is gonna be at least 158.103. So 158.103. Looking for buys towards that resistance here. So how are we gonna look for buys today? Well, I see something very nice here. I see that you have a resistance formed right here at 157.690. So if you get a closure above this range here, then high chance you can look for a price to drive up towards the next resistance, which is at 157.9 or 158. So range going up in this case here, chat, is gonna be around 28 pips. All right. 28 pip range going up, wait for a closure, and then we should be good for positions. I feel like I never left, honestly. Never feel like I left. I still know everything. And then for gold here, gold for a monthly is bearish. Gold for the weekly is bullish. So weekly kind of has no bottom wick. However, I am still bullish as we did close bullish last week. If you look closely as well, we had a resistance right here that we closed above. So therefore, this week you have a high chance for price to drive up towards this resistance at 1830. Holy shit, we're at 1800. Were we always 1800? We were, right? Yeah, nothing changed. We're always 1800. Okay. So I'm looking for buys going up towards that resistance. The range going up is going to be 337 pips for the weekly candle. That's it today. I meant the weekly. I'm looking for buys this week towards that resistance. The daily time frame looks beautiful as well. If you look closely, you have a resistance here. We closed above. Next resistance is up here at the 1830 mark. So you would expect today that once price was bullish here, for price to drive up to fill the next range, which is at 1830. All right. So could be a potential algo day here. The only thing that's keeping me out in this case is not keeping me out, but I'm considering is there's no bottom wick on a weekly and the daily candle. However, I mean, I'm still bullish. It's a high attack from anyway. So we're gonna see if price creates a bottom wick on a small time frame. If it does, all right. But if I'm looking for buys, I believe the ranges for me here would be, where would my ranges be? Okay, so that's 20 pips. I believe you have a resistance right here. And you have a resistance up here. So I think the resistance up here is a lot cleaner as price could come up to fill the rest of the range up here. I think this low range right here for 20 pips wouldn't be that bad. However, I think I'll prefer 1840 here. Let's see the 4-hour looks real quick. Yeah, 4-hour is bearish right now. 4-hour actually closed below the range here. If I delete my chart here, close below this range here, resistance, support. So therefore this 4-hour candle should tend to continue down, right? However, since the day time frame is heavily bullish, at any given point we can still drive up, but it's probably not until we break above 1805 would be my buys. Not outside a 4-hour time frame. So, and then range 2 breakout would be, I guess that would be range 1 right here and range 2 right here, or this whole entire thing right here, and then range 3 would be below here, below 1800 for sales, coming down towards 1897 maybe. All right, that's not bad, but let's just focus on the buys for now until we reach that target. Cool. There is the analysis after a week. I feel like I haven't lost anything, so we good. We good. Well, we back, chat. What's going on? What's going on? Now we can talk. Back to bullying. Damn. Tough. You guys want to play? What up, Wix? What up, Reza? Mr. JXTR in the Zoom call. What's going on? What's up, everyone? Does Zoom hear me? Yeah, it's here, right? Zoom, hello? Mic check. Zoom, hello? Mic check, mic check, mic check. Zoom. I guess they can't hear me. But you can. Okay, cool. How do I know exactly where I put my support resistance? Okay. I think it comes down to, I really forgot how to stream check. Yo, chat, give me like a day, okay? I forgot how to trade. I forgot how to answer questions and do all of this, honestly. No, you are allowed there. Yeah, you are allowed there. How do you drop support resistance? I drop mine at the bodies. So for example, like I think wicks show signs of rejection. So for example, like there's a wick here, the wick here, the wick here, all these wicks here, all rejected, right? So what's one thing they did that price never did? That one thing that price never did was actually close above the range here. So I would need a closure above its resistance now for price to really drive up towards the next resistance. So I basically draw it to the point where I understand that if price is rejecting this area many times, we need a closure above that level for price to really drive up. And I just kind of draw a line across where the bodies are aligned. What up, Reza? You guys on mute? Alright. Yeah, you guys on mute.
What's good, bro? How are you?
What's goody? What's goody? It's been a minute. It's been a long time.
I don't know why, like my stream on YouTube not loading. I don't know if it's just me.
Might just be you. King is back.
Yeah, I think I'm lagging because I feel like I'm lagging on.
Yeah, you are lagging pretty hard. Try resetting your shit and coming back. My trade plan for $200 account will risk $8, 0.8 lots each day. I did it for 10 pip stop loss. Okay, $8 a day. There's our account. That's around, what was that, Chad? Do the math for me. Lower lots if negative 15 pips or more than 15 pips stop loss. Will I blow my account if I adapt to strategy? Any tips? I don't think you can blow your accounts with any strategy. I think that's all up to you at the end of the day, right? Because every strategy at the end of the day works. Every strategy works at the end of the day. It comes down to your discipline. So I risk 1 or 2% per day. Or sorry, not per day, per trade. I take around 1 or 2 trades per day, and I stick to my plan. All right, so I think as long as you stick to your plan, whatever your plan that you have regarding to your entries, setups, etc., you should be fine. You shouldn't blow your account. I think if you over risk, that's when it becomes an issue. But yeah, 4%. That's 4%. Yeah, that isn't too high, but I think I'll lower it down to 2%, man. I think I'll risk $4 a day if I were you, or per trade, 2% per trade. I'll prefer that. There's no rush, right? There's no rush. Like you're not like, there's no rush to get to whatever equity you want to get to. Like markets will open tomorrow. You're here tomorrow. You're here to the next day and the next day, the next day. So no reason to make it all in a day, in a week, in a month, in a year. How was your breakdown? It was good. It was good. I needed it. I feel, re-energized, but let's see how I am at the end of the stream, because I say it now because I'm just freshly back, but I might still be drained at the end of the stream. I'm joking. I'll be fine. I was talking to Marcos last night, though. I was calling him last night. He's like, yo, yeah, the stream feels different, bro. Not even the stream. He's like, yeah, I think you guys been doing Discord calls, right? I obviously haven't been up, but like, yeah, they've been doing Discord calls. It's been lit. Doesn't feel the same with the stream being up. Marco says that too, and he's a part-time viewer, not a part-time mod viewer. Yo, yeah, it feels weird because I haven't missed the stream in, all year this year basically, but I've been doing this. I've been doing this for like 2 years. Never really took a break. I think my next break will be Christmas though. Like I think I said this year I wasn't gonna do it, but I think I am. First of all, there's no volume. Second of all, there's no point of me streaming. There's no volume, right? No, like everyone's on vacation anyways, so it's like I might as well take a vacation too. The last 2 weeks of December, yeah. Last 2 weeks, right? Let's see. December is this week, yeah. So New Year's week and then this week. So 19th to the 1st of December is when my next vacation is. Yeah, no one's gonna be watching during Christmas anyways. You guys will be home, doing your shit, doing your stuff, putting your Christmas tree. Can you explain how you worked out your fixed loss size? I currently use 2% per trade and work out how much that is by how big the stop loss is. Yeah, so I just average up the stop loss. The average stop loss for me, holy shit, we're flying up here on GJ. The average stop loss for me on GJ is 10 lots or 10 pips, sorry, 10-15 pips, and the average stop loss for gold for me is 20 pips. So that's why I use half risk when it comes to gold, and I use no more risk when it comes to GJ, because they equal up to the same risk at the end of the day for fixed lot size, which is 2%, 1% risk per trade. Cool. Makes sense. Trust your stream. Cool. Cool. We're back. Yes, sir, Sharif. We're back. Trust your stream. Wow. Let's see here, chat. Range 1, range 2, sells below here, buys above here. Range 2 sells below there would look lovely. Buys above there would be better. I love it. 1, 5, 7, 6, 8, 8. I think it's exactly where I have. That's exactly how I have my chart marked up. I just don't have the sells below yet, but range 2 breakout sells would be ideal. Yeah. Perfect. Perfecto. Cool. This guy's been gone. The best you can do is give 24 likes. Really, guys? I don't know what the likes are at, but hey, guys, if you guys are new here, your likes, you got their channel. This is our first stream back. For those that are new, because for some reason my TikTok gained traction over the last couple of days. I don't know why. I don't know how. I think I'll go just picked up again, but I should be back. It tells me to sound that I should be back on TikTok for one, and for two, Yeah, we got a lot. We got some decent traction, so I guess that's why we have new viewers coming, I guess, too. So if you're here from there, welcome. Just came back from vacation.
Yeah, Don, I have a song request.
What's up? I just realized I was listening to Young Thug. I didn't know I was listening to music for a second. I was just so zoned out to the stream. What's up? What's your music, brother?
I heard him say by Kanye. It's been stuck in my head.
I can't play it. That's Kanye and Kid Cudi.
Kanye.
We played that last week though. Actually, I don't know if I can play it. I think I can play that. But
Nothing I have to promise today.
I heard him say, yeah, we played my last stream.
Maybe that's why it's stuck in my head, like
Yeah,
subconsciously.
it's for 18 days. That's crazy. Or not for 18 days. Like, how long was I gone for? Really? I was gone since last Thursday, the 14th, right?
Yo, while I was restarting my internet, did you say you're gonna take another break?
8, 9, 10, 12. I was gone for 12 days. Break? Yeah, during Christmas. Like the last 2 weeks of Christmas. But
Less.
GG's pushing up here. Alright, what should I play? Some generic music for now. Well, I think. The Legend Don is back. What's going on, Jack Fong? What's going on, brother? Where have you been? Where have you been to not know where I've been? That's the question. Where have you been to not know where I've been? Where have you been to not know where I've been? Come on. You know, I left because I wanted to get rid of all the unloyal people. Right? So now we know who's loyal, who's not. rolling, I'm outside. He said, honestly, it sound like a fair trade to me. Oh, we're pushing up. Can we break above his resistance, chat? Can we break above his resistance? Pity potty. How's your train being, chat? How's the last 2 weeks been for you, or the last week been for you? How's last week? Our record's 3-1-1. We took 5 trades this month. That's it's alright. Vacation week. Vacation month. I've been here. Oh yeah, I was basically just on a little like vacation. I was out of town. Man, I was in Vancouver, chat. It was so weird. Like, I'll wake up at like, I don't know, I wake up pretty late, like 9, 10, 11. When I woke up, I realized that it's like 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock in Toronto Eastern time. So I was like, wow, New York session ended. It was so weird. I think I was active for like the Friday maybe, but not really.
Are you jet lagged right now?
Nah, not really. I already get jet lagged, you know. I just take a melatonin, go back to sleep, fix my sleep schedule, boom, next day I'm good. That's what I did the first day I got back. I'm fine now. I didn't work out the whole trip.
It's a quick fix.
Yeah, quick fix. Just vitamin pills. I've been winning since you left. Thank you, bro. Hopefully that doesn't end today, man. I'm playing. I mean, it was like 9 guns to lose since he's back. Damn. Updates today's focus. Oh, you're right. I'm so sorry. I was definitely not on top of my mind today. It's lit. Chat, remember when I had a heart rate monitor? You guys remember that when I had a heart rate monitor on my on stream? It showed like how much I was.
I know that. That's so funny.
Wait, talk again?
Hello?
Okay, I was just checking the audio was working. Yeah, yeah, I know I had a heart rate monitor for like a good month. I don't know, it was kind of scary, not gonna lie.
That's so funny.
So weird. It showed like whenever I was in a trade, the heart rate goes to like 90 beats per minute, and then when I wasn't in a trade, I was just explaining stuff. It was like 60, 70 beats per minute. Let's go check it out real quick. That's just so funny. We got a closure on GG, by the way. 1 hour closure. Let's see it, a 1 hour close real quick. 1 hour closed below above the most recent resistance, but so above this range right here, and then it kind of rejected this resistance here. So I need 157,693 to break for me to get buys either on a 1 hour or a 30 minute.
Did you ever make Hearthstone videos?
No, I don't play that game. This is a game, right?
The first thing, Hearthstone.
Yeah, look. Left side of my screen, it'll be the heart rate monitor.
Taking your emotions out of it, like.
Oh shit. Where's the trade? Whoa, wow, we need a time. Yo, chat. Who wants to do timestamps? We need a new timestamp. Someone who can do timestamps again, because I don't think TR is doing them no more. Oh yeah, this is when we're in a trade. We're here stops. It's funny because like when I was in the trade, when we got in, it was at 100 beats per minute. We got a closure above. You know what I did wrong here though, chat? Look at this. Look closely. What did I do wrong? No bottom wick, right? No bottom wick. Got it. 120 beats per minute. And then as a trade, 137. And then as the trade went on, like in his stops, like my heart rate went down. Like it literally went down to like 90. So I was fine after. It was like 80, 70, 60 average. It's crazy. Oh no, I cannot play this song. Oh shit, I fucked up, chat. I can't play this song. Why did I play this song? I can't play Donda. Don't get blocked now. I gotta go and delete it. That's whatever. DVS get me back, yes sir. 135 beats per minute, bruh. I know, man. Chest is pumping. Chest is pumping. We get 10 pips. I want to play Donda, but unfortunately, I can't always play Donda. Back to life. Devil my op.
I need some WD-40 to
I need
shake off all
some
this
what?
rust. Some WD-40.
For what? Rust?
Yeah.
I sound rusty or something?
Yeah.
I sound rusty, really? Yeah.
The stream running a little rusty.
It is. No, I think it's just you, man. I don't think the stream's running rusty.
I'm not rusty. I'm oiled up. I'm all.
Pause.
I'm a well-oiled machine right now.
All right, Wixland. You heard it. He's oiled up, chat. He's oiled up.
Oh yeah, I'm all oiled up. Go get your OnlyFans. How was your fucking trip, dog? How was that shit? We slayed the markets when you were gone. Can you leave again? No, I'm just kidding.
For real. I am the market maker at the end of the day, so right why. It was good. It was good. It was cool. I don't like Vancouver as much as Toronto. And
Did you go there to see somebody, or you went there with somebody?
I went there with people, with my friends.
Oh, you went there with people, yeah.
Yeah.
So you guys went ratchet. It's the perfect time to go. You're 22. You could probably destroy the town and not get in trouble.
I'm 21 actually.
All right.
A bit younger than that, but it was lit. It was lit, man. It was lit.
Trying to give you more credit.
The city was alright. It was alright. I mean, we rented a car up there, and we just drove around like
New
up
York
north.
or Vancouver?
Pardon? New York,
New
man.
York or Vancouver?
New York.
Yeah.
Toronto over Vancouver for me, at least. Montreal over Vancouver for me.
Really?
You know?
Yeah, Montreal. I can see that. Montreal was a pretty.
Ottawa
city.
though, I could take Vancouver over Ottawa for sure. Ottawa's probably, I don't know. Ottawa's boring, man. I've been there once.
What the fuck is in Ottawa? Maple trees?
The Prime Minister of Toronto, of Canada.
What's it? Trudeau? Or-
Yeah, got Trudeau up there.
Yeah, you have the best one. You have the best one in Toronto. What's his name? Rob or something.
Rob Ford. That's
Yeah, the fat guy. He's hilarious.
Doug Ford. RP Rob.
Wow, he died?
Rob, yeah.
The mayor?
Yeah, a long time ago, man.
The one that cracked.
Yo, I remember grabbing a newspaper and it's like Mayor of Toronto smoking crack in a party.
Yeah. His brother runs shit now. His name is Doug Ford.
Yeah,
It's hilarious.
yeah.
It's right. New York has one of those too. New York has what's his name? Not Comey. What the fuck is the guy that's on CNN? And his brother is the fucking governor. Cuomo.
Sorry, man, I smoked mad crack. That's crazy. I remember that, man. I was like 12, 13. Yo, Wix.
Like, damn, our mayor does that?
Yeah. I knew we were fucked. Yo, Wix.
Yeah.
So, how was your week? Rizla. How was your
I
week?
got clapped.
Good.
You got clapped?
Dude, it was like a good week, and then I was like on the Discord chat streaming, and then one day I just took like a super I over leveraged and I took like an emotional I didn't close.
Oh
I
my
lost
god.
5%.
I would have been there for you, man. I'm so sorry.
I know, right?
I wish I was there.
Calm me down.
Himself.
Quick calm me down after. I was pretty pissed. I took Friday off.
Why'd you
Just,
over
like, one
leverage?
day I lost 2.5%.
You lost 2.5%?
Yeah,
He took it upon himself to stream.
You streamed?
In the Discord, yeah.
And
Yeah,
you
we
over
got
leverage on the stream?
On stream, bro. On stream.
Oh, brother.
Yeah, we had a public.
We were voting. We're like, should we close here? Should we not close here?
Come on. Reza, how you gonna stream but then show emotions on stream, man? When you stream, you're like,
Listen, streaming made me
wow.
more emotional. Like, there's so much pressure that everyone's just watching you. You're like, holy shit.
really?
People are like, is he gonna lose another digit off his account?
How many viewers do you have on
Right?
Discord? Or how many people were there? 30? 20?
Like 15? Yeah, 15, 20.
Yeah, we had a good 20 people. Yeah, good 20 people.
Damn. Should have been
Yeah,
100.
this was another day. Those days were good, yeah. So it was pretty good. And then Thursday, I just took that like stupid ass thing and I lost 2.5. And then I took Friday off because I was cheesing and now I'm good. And then Monday I took a small dub and account's still in positive, so I'm happy.
Let me look.
Damn.
The week.
Who was there for that? Did streaming help you lose emotions, Don? Nah, first. No, I don't think so. I think it's just over time I lost emotions. No, not really. No. Because I'll do the same thing off stream, right?
I think who was there? Wix was there. Nathan was there. I'm pretty sure. I think Mr. JXTR was there. I'm not sure if Class was there or not.
There is definitely pressure on stream, for sure. I mean,
No,
there-
like,
you definitely do have
It
more
was just
emotions on
bad
stream.
Trading. It was just bad trading because like when I look back at it, you know, like there's like acceptable losses, and then I just looked at it. I'm like, okay, you made a mistake here. You made a mistake here. You made a mistake
But what did
here.
you do different though? Like, what did you do?
First of all, again, I didn't close at 10 pips.
But you never do. That's your plan though. You never do, right?
Yeah. Okay, no. But like, it was at a resistance, right? So I would usually close at a resistance, right?
Or
And
stop
then
to break
how I
even.
ended up over leveraging. This is how I over leveraged. So I got in, and then it went against me, so I took half off. All good, right? But on the re-break of the high, for whatever reason, I added back more than half my position, just because it's variable lot, right? So I just kind of did it in my head, and it just ended up being way more. So, yeah, just not good.
Damn. That's emotions.
I'm still getting withdrawal. I'm good.
That is
Just not as much as
emotions, my friend.
Yeah, I had a lot of trades this week. I had 2 a day, 2 every single day.
Damn, I missed that. I missed that week.
The markets were moving last week.
Marcos.
Maybach music.
Marcos. The chat.
Marcos was moving.
Marcos called me last night. He's like, yo, Don, I
Nice.
miss you so much, man. You know,
Yo,
like,
did he call you at
I
3
miss
a.m.
you, man. I
bro?
miss you so much, man. Like, where are you? I couldn't do shit without you.
Yo, we know Marcos and Don pillow talk. Was 18 months.
The stream makes you more patient after overtrade. You know, at one point people were like, "Yo, Don, you undertrade." What the hell does undertrading mean? You undertrade. You're still scared to take trades. You don't take any trades. Like, why aren't you in this buy right now? Like, why? Why?
I got 7 wins, 2 losses last week.
Damn, 7 wins, 2 losses. That's pretty good. 9 trades, bruh. I had 4
Yeah,
trades,
10
5 trades all October.
I had 1 break even. Matter of fact, the break even that I had was last night, and they went up to like 16 pips, and I figured let me just run it overnight, and it came back to even.
Shiba Inu just went on. I think all of crypto's on a pump right now.
Did they really? Let's
Yeah, I was
see.
talking to my friend yesterday. He just pulled out his crypto and he's like, "Yo, I lose this, man."
4,200,
Like
62K for Bitcoin.
Marcos, Shibu millionaire yet?
did Marcos buy Shibu?
Shiba. Shiba.
But Inu, yeah, I think that one like 4x. No pun intended.
Yeah, Shiba Forex.
Yeah,
So
Shibu.
you were a Forex?
You heard of Forex? I wear medium.
Nah, I wear a medium.
How much do you guys leave for runners after you're getting 10 pips or temperature TP? I close 50% at 10 pips, or I close full at 10 pips. Depends on the situation. In this case here, I might leave runners here on GJ if you get a closure above here. But chat, we back on stream, which means I can go and get some food, right? I'm hungry, bro. I gained like a little bit of weight in Vancouver, but like nothing crazy.
Perfect
Yeah.
time to hit the gym. You'll
I know,
fucking
and I didn't hit the gym
shred.
all week though. I didn't hit the gym. I'll be back.
Yeah, we can't even.
I mean,
be
there
friends.
was gym, but like it was like, I mean, yo, it's too busy for that, bro. Honestly, it wasn't my priority. Not gonna lie to you.
Yo, I swear, my like last few times I went on vacation, I picked the spot because they had a gym and never even went in there.
Really?
Yeah, I like
I
went
mean,
to,
you just don't have time sometimes. You're on your vacation.
I went to like Universal in Orlando, and I was like, yo, this fucking hotel better have a gym where we're staying. So we called them up. We changed our hotel plans, found one with a gym, came there, gym and pool closed because of COVID.
Oh yeah, yeah. I think my pool was closed, but my gym was open. But it was a limit of 2 people, and I was like, bro, there's like 1,000 people in this hotel.
Like thousands of people in the hotel. How you gonna schedule
2 limit gym.
Yeah,
The wait list is
and an
long.
appointment. We had that shit in Florida when COVID just hit. You had to schedule your gym time and be like, yo, what the fuck? Like, I typically see like 250 people in here, and now there's like 4.
You can up until like 2 weeks ago. That's how
Wait,
Canada
hold on,
was.
hold on.
Oh, you just did. Yo, Canada, you need to show a vaccine passport everywhere you want to go now.
It's terrible.
I know.
Remember when the Germans did it?
Yeah, I don't- it's pretty fucked up. Also, like, they're not letting unvaccinated people like work and shit. So like that's another divide.
Germans were like, we didn't even have to make you get a passport. We just gave you a star. All you had to do was get a star.
Yeah, you didn't even have to inject anything into yourself.
Oh man. Oh, Don ain't here. My stream's lagging. Like, what the-
Australia, I heard Australia's fucked.
I mean, fucking Australians, eh?
In Dubai, we just had 80 people as COVID, man. Rob, I did not choose FTMO. Also, the scaling plan is pretty fast from what I remember. And you could start off with a 200K account. So you don't even need to take 3 years to get 100K. You could start off the first 2 months with 200K.
I'm back.
Yeah. FTMO has like the best reviews of the industry. I didn't go with FTMO because the test was more expensive. and it was at the time it was less of a profit split.
So once you're going gym, you want to build muscle? Nah. Going to gym is just to hit the gym and, you know, stay healthy. That's about it.
Wait, I thought you were trying to compete for Mr. Olympia next year.
I don't know about that one. Not at this pace. Yeah, no, it's never my, like, no, like, not to build muscle. No, that was never really my goal ever. It's just honestly just to feel healthy. So, I mean, as long as I show up to the gym, I mean, obviously the muscles will come with it naturally over time.
Tyler's correct. We can't discuss COVID-19. Risky biscuits. No, YouTube will fucking ban your shit.
For real?
Yeah, you'll say anything like,
I
don't
word.
believe in it, or like you know how the Instagram puts up like notices.
Yeah.
Or Facebook? YouTube will ban your shit. Like if you say something that's not politically correct about it.
Good to know. We won't talk about it. Well, Chad can talk about it. I can't say anything on it.
Yeah,
I never do anyways though. The 10 bots that dislike our back. Hey, shout out to the bots that dislike the stream every day, man. You guys are loyal, man. Come to the stream every day at 6:30 in the morning. Leave a 10 dislikes. Man, I appreciate it a lot, man.
With Don.
Yeah, I took a vacation with me too. How'd you guys do on vacation though? How'd you guys do?
Don wakes up in Vancouver with 10 dislikes.
In my dream, I woke up with 10 dislikes.
10 thumbs down. Like, hey guys. Leave those dislikes in Vancouver.
What's up, Don? What up? What up? What up? What up? Not handsome. What up? Would you look for sells if the 1 hour closes bearish and forms resistance at GJ? No. Why would I not look for sells here? Because that would not be a range 2 breakout with the buys being bullish for a day. So we need a range 2 breakout in order for us to get those sells going on. And for me, at least, sells will not happen probably until we break below 156 800. So below here would be my sells. Below a support here coming down to fill this range would be my sells. This piece right here. Until then, no sells for me. Buys would be above here for me. This would be my yes zone for buys, yes zone for buys, and this is my no zone for any positions at all. Unless you get a range 2 breakout in here, but as of right now, no. And then this would be obviously a yes zone as well. Like that. So this is how my charts will look. Avoiding this range, buys above here, sells below there. For range 2 breakouts. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be rusty drawing candles and all of that, but by the looks of it, not really rusty, man. Like I can still draw. No. Still draw. Damn. What if we made a support in the red range and you get buys, which is also an onion play? Yeah, you can do that. Yeah. So like, let's say price comes down towards the support here, and then I guess like you close bearish at resistance, come down, create that support, and then that support, buys going back up. If you close bullish at support, confirming that support, yeah, that'd be ideal. Your buys would be on the next candle high. Last bearish candle low, TP up here for onion play. Perfecto. Or we can just drop down to that support down there. Yeah, that'll work too, but I prefer not that low, because it's a lot. That you need a lot for that to happen, for price to really drive down towards like 156 or on deck today. Third minute breaking the highs. Yo, Gold's potential to be an algo day today. Has a lot of potential with the way that closes the range on the day time frame. For you guys being here today, man. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. I have to ask myself how I found this channel. LOL, I've been profitable than ever. Hey, that's what I like to hear. That's what we like to hear. Oh, Wickstein, what's up? on camera. Yo, is it a bad to eat pistachios in the morning?
I've never heard of that.
Never heard of that. Yeah.
That's
So-
some new
Probably
shit.
a good idea actually.
Really? That's all I have. I'm hungry right now, and that's all I have in my bedside.
I'm so hungry, bro. I was trying to ignore it, then you just brought it up again. Holy
I'm
shit.
hungry. Like I want food.
You don't deserve to
Starving.
eat.
I
You don't
want.
deserve to eat till you win a trade.
Oh
what I said.
man, I gotta work. Okay, let's get a trade right now, man. Let's get it. Buy right now for gold.
Now back to work.
Nice server play happening. Boom. Nice 19 pips would happen in about 2 minutes here.
I'm actually highly considering gold buys if we get a closing.
Yeah. Where for you? Mine's 1805 341.
I was looking there. It just depends how this 15-minute closes. To be honest, I wouldn't mind taking it like on this candle if it closes below that, just because it kind of switched its market structure. You see, I was making lower lows, and then on the 30 minutes, it didn't make the lower low. So I kind of see that as like a extra validation for an onion. But like, yeah, the safer buys would be way up there. Yeah.
This is giving me
You see, I
flashbacks.
need lower lows.
Say lower lows, lower highs. Yeah.
Exactly. It's kind of like a thing. So, but again, it's not confirmed yet. Like you need to wait at least for like the 30-minute.
Mhm.
We'll see.
Yeah,
we'll
this
see
range is
how
not bad. Yeah, I was looking at this range earlier, but I think the reason why I wanted to avoid this range here,
Mhm.
because it wasn't bad, definitely not bad. Yeah, the reason why I wanted to avoid it was because the 4-hour was heavily bearish and it closed below the range, so that's why.
Yeah.
But the 1-hour ball gave me a start play here, and the last 1-hour candle had no bottom wick on a bearish candle, so no range to go down. Plus the 1-hour start play, it looks good to drive up here. I think it looks solid. Man, it's feel good to be back. I feel like I didn't lose anything. I thought I was gonna forget how to trade and all that. You know, I really thought, chat. Is 50 trades enough for a manual back test for every type of entry, or do you have to back test? I think it comes down to whenever you're comfortable actually entering a trade on a live account. So you can back test for as long as you want, but once you get comfortable, like, okay, this is a high winning trade, boom, I can actually anticipate it. I can actually trade it, look for setups whenever they come and whenever they occur. So it comes down to that. And let's say like you get comfortable and it gets to a point where it's not as consistent as you may have thought. You just gotta adjust or adapt, and, you know, find little flaws in the trade, find like what went wrong, find what the bias was overall for a day compared to like how the 4-hour was and how other time frames are to create a story. So there's no like number of trades you gotta take, you know, in order to become profitable. It just comes down to whenever you're comfortable. Not trading related, but what would you have been doing if you weren't a Forex trader, FX trader? I would be, I don't know. I was working before I started FX. That's all I know. I probably would have still been like a reseller or something, but like I don't think I would have been where I am now if it wasn't for FX. I don't know. Maybe I got lucky with FX. Maybe just gone at the perfect time and I met the right people. I wanted to do the right shit, or maybe it's just, I don't know. Maybe I was just a hard worker, hard grinder.
Yeah, I think luck is like just determined by your past actions.
So skill.
So, like
plus
for
luck.
example, like someone's like, yo, I got scouted. I was playing at the park soccer. It's like, okay, well, you were playing soccer at the park every day for 2 hours. You know, that's not luck. That's just the probability of someone else who's into soccer showing up.
You can,
So
I mean, you
same
can definitely put yourself in a better position to succeed. So just you can put yourself in a luckier position, in a better position,
Yeah.
bring more luck. So yeah, luck is involved maybe, but you know, you could still manipulate the outcome to an extent. You know, put yourself in a better position.
Yeah,
Put yourself in a position where luck can find you. There you go.
exactly. That's a good way to put it.
No, what kind of hat you wearing? Some local brand in my area. I'll give you guys a name. This is some KN.OUN on IG. Known. All local brand. My friend's brand, I think. This is customized. This is K on it. I be showing these hats. I be wearing a lot of hats on stream. People ask what hat I'm wearing. I should get sponsors for hats, man, to wear on stream. Hey, if you guys have any hats, want to send over to me. I'll create a PO box and do that. We had a bit of a pullback on gold, and this might be a pull. I mean, yeah, maybe this was a pullback. Maybe this whole entire thing was a pullback. You know what I mean? Like maybe look at the day candle. Maybe this whole day candle was a pullback, and once you flip, that's a flip. Right?
That's right. Yeah, the daily flip would be deadly.
Mm-hmm.
We'll go to the gold 30. If we close.
Up there?
Oh, bro, you just draw faster. This is bullshit.
Hey, man. Sorry, man. Brain things faster, hand things faster,
if we
just
could
better.
get
I'm
it.
playing.
Yeah, but what? You're lying. It's a lie, chat.
I was just playing.
So what if the next one goes?
Close above that range? Then yeah, that'll be 8:30, right? For 8 a.m. 8 a.m. 1 hour closure above.
Oh, you don't like the 30 closure here?
Pardon?
You don't like the 30 closure?
The reason why I didn't like this, I like this range here originally. I drew it out earlier, but the reason why I didn't like it, the reason I didn't like it was because the forward candle was bearish. That's why I was like, all right, wait for a closure above 1805. Yo, JXTR, you couldn't unmute your mic, man. I mean,
I think if it's happening at if it's happening at 8 o'clock, we can expect the volume. If it closes above there, the volume should drive it up.
yes, the 8 a.m. volume. Are you gonna answer this, or are you gonna wait for the 8 a.m. or for the?
No, I'm gonna wait for the 8 a.m.
All right, cool.
It would make sense for it to kind of either range or have a smaller candle here just for the 8 o'clock volume to drive. Or even if it drives up right now, closes above, that's an even better buy. But I think 8 a.m. volume is key here.
Key.
I mean, it's what we waited for all night, right? It's the reason we jumped on in the morning.
Yeah, I wake up for 10 pips, man. You're like, yo, who wakes up for 10 pips? Me, bro. I wake up for 10 pips every day.
I even set an alarm.
I set an alarm for 10 pips. I hop off after 10 pips.
It even rings 10 times.
People are saying, I catch 10 pips in my sleep, and 10 pips is nothing. Okay, so go catch 10 pips every day. You have a live. You if it's nothing, then you'll be winning every day.
Got that little nice Nardo gray color in the back of you.
I've repainted my room. Finally, remember I said I was gonna repaint my room and never did? All those holes in the wall, I finally scrubbed. I finally painted it with my friend. Boom, boom, boom.
Where's ASAP?
Oh shit! I forgot. I didn't need to buy some frames. That's what I gotta do. You're right. I gotta buy some frames. Thanks for reminding me. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna measure my thing to buy some frames. Frames and curtains. Gotta feed the streets. Yeah, ASAP ain't there, man. My work ain't there. Do you friends know how to trade? No, they don't. Have I tried to teach them? Yes, sir. I said go on Bay Pips and then come back to me. Never finished Bay Pips. It's been 2 years. Never finished 3 years. Never finished Bay Pips.
Oh, there's a guy at my gym that I was just talking to yesterday, and we got into talking about it, and he's like, so how do I get into it? And I was like, look, yeah, well, Big Mike, if you're watching right now, man, shout out to you. Go hit Baby Pips up and show up to the stream every morning. But yeah, he was like, what do I do? How do I start? I was like, look, Baby Pips till elementary school, and once you're done with elementary school, just hit the stream, and you'll understand what the fuck is going on.
Yeah. I mean, is he here?
I don't know. He's an older dude, but big guy from my gym. So, I don't know. If he posts in the chat, we'll know. But I pointed him in the right direction, and you know, it's up to him. Like, take advantage of what the fuck we're doing. I didn't like this track when it dropped, but it's grown on me.
Because you keep playing it.
And you got the double R drop it outside.
Yo, bro, joining Discord yesterday. Really would advise anyone to join. It's full of like-minded traders. Very positive chat. Yes, sir.
Yo,
Very.
shout
Shout out to the mods. The mods keep the chat. I mean, I see you guys mods be sleeping sometimes, but majority of the times they be putting in work in Discord chat. They be booting people left and right. Very dope. That's how you keep a good community, you know. I want to make a Reddit though. I don't know how though. I've never been on Reddit in my life, but if we, you know, maybe if we get like a certain amount of followers, I'll make one. Maybe at 10K followers on Instagram, I'll make one. We're at like, almost at 5K chat.
By the time you do that, Reddit's gonna be like a thing of the past.
Oh, so you're saying it's never gonna happen? I see.
It's by the time you get around to it, it's gonna be like fucking forget it, not Reddit.
Reddit's very powerful.
Bloot it.
Did you back this off Forex? The 4 accounts are a bit different to TradingView's 4 account time frame. No, same thing. At the end of the day, counts are candles, right? Counts are candles at the end of the day. Yes, there might be different times, but same shit at the end of the day, right? Same stuff. Have you tried trading oil? It moves like gold with bigger wicks though. Yes, I have. I've traded oil, US30, all of that. Yes, I've done trade oil.
Oh, it's gonna run up to the top of this range.
DJ?
Gold.
Yeah.
This would be so great if
Yo.
this fucking thing
Yo, Wick, what's
flips
the
on
number
the
one
daily.
app you use?
Number one app,
Yeah.
Chrome.
Like social media app.
Instagram. I don't even use it. I don't post. I very rarely I talk to people. Very rarely do I post. It's gotta be really funny or something meaningful. I use Discord. I use I'm on your Discord. I'm in a bunch of NFT Discords for no reason. I gotta get rid of those. 6ix9ine dropping his own NFTs.
Oh yeah. Are you gonna buy that?
The trolls.
Are you gonna buy that?
Buy it or not, the shit has value. Just see the amount of people lining up for that. Look at his Discord.
I haven't been in the game.
Nothing but trolls.
For real. Actually.
Actually, yeah.
Would you ever do surplus funds? What surplus funds? What is surplus funds?
Did you ever do surplus?
What does that mean? Like, do I wear magic
ever have extra
magic
money?
accounts? Pardon?
Surplus, that's like extra funds, like extra money.
Yeah,
Like,
regardless
if
of
you
what
have-
though? Like extra accounts? I can't manage accounts, man. I can't. Yeah, it's too much shit, you know. Too much shit can happen. So, right now, I take the risk. Also, don't want to. I just don't have time for it, man. I gotta manage my own account. I would manage someone else's account when I got my own account. Even if that account is bigger than my account, it's just too much risk to it, man. I just manage my own account. I'm in gold buys. Nice. Nice, looking good here, man. Looking like we could tap 1805, 341. Looking lovely. We broke down this trade here, right? We broke it down. I can put it in trade's call if it happens, but The reason why I didn't enter was just because the 4-hour candle. Do you have NP this week? Oh no, that's next week. I'm in gold. Oh damn, everyone's in gold. Closure above that range there. How big was stop loss? 25 or 15. Unless you use current candles, that's 3 pip stop loss, or you have a bigger TP, I guess.
I think once it broke this previous candle high, you're fine with using current candle because there's absolutely no reason for it to come back down right now after breaking the side. Break it so low.
It was a 1-hour start play. That's what it was.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, with no bottom wick. I think we broke this down to T, but like no, bearish gonna have no bottom wick. No range to go down.
Got a nipple.
And
A nubbin.
and then next candle broke the highs. Yeah, what was the longest you took a break from like the longest you took a break from working out?
From working out since starting, I'd say about 3 months.
Damn, I was thinking maybe I'll take 2 weeks off.
Nah, at one point I took like 3 months off, and it was really hard to get back into it. It was like slow. Like
Why'd you take time off? You just felt lazy, or just because you need a mental break or something?
I went on like a 1 month vacation.
Oh fuck, sounds like me. Yeah.
And then I came back, and just there's a lot of catching up when you're gone for a month. Like a lot of shit I had to do, and just every day I like couldn't make it. And like 2 months into it, I was like, you got into a new routine, missing, like you're doing other things instead of the gym. And then I just like seeing a couple of my boys from the gym, who got bigger since I left, and I kind of went back. It motivated me.
Damn. When was that?
What was that?
When was that?
When was that? That was beginning of last year, end of last year.
Oh, word. Also, but like, you ever take like every now and then like 2 weeks off or a week off?
I'd say every 6 to 8 weeks, 6, 7 weeks, I take a full week off. Yeah.
Wow.
It's recommended. Like,
I didn't know that.
If you're going every day, it's recommended to take a week off and let your body heal and everything. But you don't need to do that if you go like every 2 days, every 3 days. You don't need to take time off. But if you're going,
I think I do
consistently 5 days a week. Yeah, a week off is good. I'd say about 6 weeks.
Well, why don't I just take a week off and I just bulk, eat?
There's nothing wrong with eating as long as you're eating health.
You're right.
If you just pig out, then you are what you eat.
True. Control FX. For setup 1, entry 1, 15-minute candle entry. When do you move stops to break even, and when do you close 50% for setup 1, entry 1? So setup 1, entry 1 would just simply be a closure above the range. So again, it depends on the situation. All right, depends on looking left. Is there any traffic? Looking left, is there minor level support, major level support, resistance, and where are the ranges to go up? In this case, the range to go up, if you get a closure above this range here, it's gonna be around a 25 pip range going up. So looking left there, where's your next minor resistance here? It's probably gonna be somewhere around here. So probably when price pushes up towards that resistance, I think that'll be our let's see, that'll be our, if you get on open the candle, that'll be 5 pips in profit. Probably around there is where I move my stops to break even as you tap on my levels of resistance. And then at 10 pips, which is up here, if you can get there after going break even, you can close half at 10 pips and then let the rest run towards the 157.986. So 50% closure at 10 pips to secure 10 pips, secure some profits, and then let the rest run break even or TP. That's what I would do in that situation if we were to get in. And that's the reason why I'll do it. Bro, glad you're finally back. You're looking for your streams daily. Yeah, man. Feels good. Feels good to be back. Yo, what's dirty bulking? I don't see that. What does dirty bulking mean compared to regular bulking? Like, what does that mean? Yeah, I'm asking Wix.
It's basically
30
getting calories in.
to
But
gain weight. So you want to gain a lot of weight. Or I don't know if you want to gain a lot of weight. It's just when you gain a lot of weight. You're not like he wrote taking dirty bulking with 3 months off the gym. That doesn't make sense. Like you need to, really do a lot of like HIT training. You need in general, you just, high intensity training is much better for you for growing muscle. And that's why you see like people that run 100 meters are freaking jacked up, and people that run like long distances are skinny as hell. They run marathons because high intensity training, like the 100 meter, the 200 meter, those fucking, rip your muscles, destroy them, and build them. Dirty bulking is just eating a shitload of food when you're doing a lot of high intensity training.
Like, and food?
yeah,
Just calories, lots of calories.
Yeah, that sounds like my whole life.
Yeah, like imagine eating like 4,000 calories a day, 5,000 calories a day.
Damn.
Like, and pretty much double or triple what you're eating right now, plus triple your protein intake. Imagine having like 200 grams of protein a day. It's massive. Like it destroys your liver.
200 grams, holy fuck.
But I mean, professional athletes can do it. Like they have coaches, they're strength training coaches. They have cardio coaches. They have people that push them every 10 seconds just because they're paid. Like a regular person doesn't need to do this shit. A regular person needs to do something. That's why diets and shit doesn't work. You need to do something that you can maintain every day for the rest of your life. So slowly change your lifestyle. You don't have to make drastic changes immediately. Well, it's not good for your body. Like it's a shock for your body. Anything that you just stop abruptly, even if it was a bad thing, like it shocks your body. That's why it's hard to quit smoking cold turkey. Like you can do it, but it's a big shock for your body.
yeah.
So you slowly but surely you can build up or build down to something. But to just start a massive intake of food and just it's not good. You're gonna have liver failure.
That's scary, bro.
Like, what the fuck do you need to be doing all this shit for? Like, what are you training for? The Olympics? Like, what are you doing? Professional athletes like this.
I gotta train for the charts, brother.
Based on this. Yeah, so go work out your mind. I don't know. Go do some math problems. Go play chess. I don't know.
Go play chess.
Yeah.
You watch that movie? You watch that show, Queen's Gambit?
Queen's Gambit, yeah, that was on Netflix, wasn't it?
Yeah. The chess show is
about them playing
fire.
chess. Yeah, I remember that.
I'm watching you right now, chat. You watch that?
Did you see Squid Game?
Yeah, that show's ass.
Was it?
It wasn't ass, but it
seen
wasn't as. It didn't live to the hype. Not gonna lie. It wasn't ass, but it was alright. It was alright. It wasn't bad, but.
I watched some other shit on Vice about bodybuilders and like the doctors that inject steroids and all that shit. And that was a fire documentary. I wish I remember the name of it.
The whole chat's like, yo, Squid Game's not bad. Chat, it's not bad. It just wasn't.
Did you watch it dubbed or subbed?
What do you mean? What does that mean?
Like subtitles or dubbed? Like where?
Oh, I watched it dubbed. I mean, probably better sub.
I think you probably have to watch it subbed in order.
You can. There's an option.
Yeah.
And I didn't check, but like I don't know. Like at first it bothered me the voices, but later I didn't really care. It was kind of normal to me.
Yeah, I'd have to sub that and then just read because I'd have to like hear the original.
Yeah. I mean.
Oh, look at this. Gold went nowhere. And this is why the fuck we wait for volume. Because the scandal didn't have enough volume. To
Look at GJ pulling back.
Yeah.
Damn, son. Where'd you find it?
Damn, son.
Damn, son.
Yeah, London's been eating. It's such an easy trade too.
$15-minute fake out on gold, potentially. I mean, we got in on the 30, so.
I think the 15-minute close.
Yeah. I would. I closed down.
Yeah, if it closes within range, did it close right?
How much have you had spread for gold? Gold spreads are gonna be 1.3, 1.7 pips, 1.8 right now. But for me, at least that's pretty high. But
You know, it's been like that this whole week. It's been like,
yeah,
I've seen it at 2.4, 2.2. I had a couple of trades in Asian that were at like 2.5 spread.
did you say everything forex?
Foreign.
Everything foreign. Foreign.
Ask Marcos to do the forex. Everything forex.
Who hates like this? Never skip them, man. Never skip them. I don't think that there'll be trades today, and that'll be okay. This one, really. I mean, gold has potential, GG has potential, but as of right now, yeah, like right now, there's nothing for me here.
And I would not.
I really
okay
don't
with
want us
that.
to close below this range either.
Look at the higher time frames. Like, we're gonna move. Like, there's fucking room to move.
Yeah, that 4 hour shows a lot. Day shows a lot. Day kind of broke those highs.
Look at these wicks to fill.
Let's see. You have about 30 minutes for the hourly closure. I'm hungry, chat. Hey Don, in a scenario where your daily bias is bullish and the current daily candle is bearish, would you consider taking bias if you had a setup in a lower time frame? Where your daily bias is bullish and the current daily candle is bearish. Sorry, what? If the daily candle is bearish, my bias is bearish. Yeah, so if my bias isn't dependent on like whatever I think, it's dependent on the charts. Like the charts pick my bias for me. I don't pick the bias itself. It obviously depends on where it closes, if it closes respecting support or below support or above resistance. But at the end of the day, usually 85% of the time, the bias for me would be based off of the daily candles and weekly candles. It just makes sense, right? It just makes sense. Like on a 30-minute time from here, for example, like on an hourly time from here, let's say you close bullish here, price close bullish. What would you expect now the next daily candle to do? Or the candle to do the next candle? You expect it just to pop up towards the next range. So same thing on the daily candle, right? We closed bullish yesterday on GJ, and today you expect price to drive up towards next resistance, which we tapped. Marquis, what up?
What up?
What up?
AirPods. There we go.
What's good, brother?
What's up, Reza?
What's good? What's good, Marcos? How are you?
Hanging in there.
Hanging in there. Me too.
Why you smirking? Why you smirking, Wix9? I see that smirk.
Actually, that's mad funny. I had something funny in my head, but I'm not gonna say anything.
All right.
Dude's got jokes.
Got jokes?
Yeah, I had a funny joke, but it's not worth it right now. How's your week, Marcos? You fucking trade?
I didn't take a single trade.
Yeah, he told me.
Forex trades.
You said you took one trade, didn't you?
Did you look
I took a trade. I took one trade since you've been gone. Yeah, I was like, you know what?
That
Don,
is
insane.
That's hilarious. Did you win that trade?
Crypto's been busting. Now it's break even.
Yeah.
Worth it.
Crypto's
Crypto
been
has
busting,
been-
I lost my commission.
Yeah. Did you recover it with your NFT funds?
A little bit.
Yo, we monthly started playing on Ethereum. Holy shit.
I was just looking at Ethereum. The weekly closed above.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
started monthly for
where is
Bitcoin
it
and
going?
Ethereum.
Where is it going?
Yeah. Who knows?
Where's it going, man? Well,
I'm kind
man,
of hoping it just fakes back out into the range.
I think,
Sorry,
man,
like, I think Bitcoin is going back to 20K.
I hope so.
There's someone over there saying, "Yo, Bitcoin's going down, man. Sell it."
I
sell
want
it. Double top.
Ethereum to just sit in a range forever.
It will at one point. Like these parabolic movements will stop once we're regulated. This shit will just kind of even out.
Bitcoin's gonna be like gold. Sitting there.
Hopefully the spreads will drop from fucking 30 to 3 or something.
Mm.
You know, my last TikTok was about, Marcos. The last TikTok was about how Bitcoin and Ethereum were gonna go up towards that resistance. Now that it's there, I'm just gonna hop back on TikTok. All right, guys, like I said a month ago,
Yeah, that's a
Oh.
good TikTok.
come back and hop off TikTok.
Mm.
Go to Bitcoin on the weekly.
Yeah, I'm on a weekly.
You know, the
Those
monthly?
bearish.
Gold,
Respecting.
It's a month. Oh, no, the week. Yeah.
gold missed my stop loss by like I think 0.01 pips.
You in buys?
Yeah, I already closed half at a loss, and I'm just holding the other half.
Wait, how come
Based
you
on-
close half? 15 close bearish?
Actually, I closed half when the 5 closed back in the range.
5.
Yeah. Cause yo, it broke all the other lows and it closed back into the range. So I'm like, okay, whatever.
You're gonna lose.
And then I
it,
kept
Zach.
the 15-minute support.
Wait, what was your entry?
Bro, like at the top, you see the very top of that wick?
Why'd you end there?
I was getting in on the break of the last wick.
Oh, okay, makes sense. I mean, the strainer saw us be the previous 3-minute low.
It was the previous 30-minute low, and then I thought about what Wick said. He's like, guys, probably shouldn't come back down to break the 15-minute lows if it wants. And I thought about it, because get on the 15, right? Because
Yeah.
it broke the highs for, like, it went down a little bit, and then it broke the highs, and it's doing this shit now. And then so I just decided that I'm going to keep, like, the 15-minute that broke that range, essentially. I'm going to keep those lows, and then close based off anything that goes against me.
You'd rather take a small loss to have a normal win later instead of just.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's honestly what's helped me a lot. I just try to keep my like losses pretty
But
small.
you also can't take that small loss based on just like emotion.
Yeah, based on just anything. Yeah, it's fine. Look, I personally feel like I'm doing a good job on this trade.
Look at class. He said the 5.
Yo, 5-minute on gold's deadly, bro.
Yeah, it
A
can
lot of
be.
information on
if
the
you're
buy.
if you're actually using it as part of a strategy with the 1 hour, the daily, the weekly, the 30-minute, 15-minute, then the 5 can be used.
Yeah,
as,
it's like the last confirmation.
as not even confirmation, as like your entries, but I don't know. I can't use the 5 to determine whether my position stays open or not. It's very tough unless I see like candle breaks, closes, and I don't know. The 5 is tough. You need to give your play also. I mean, your trade time to develop.
I
also.
know it. Oh man. Look at gold.
If you want to trade one pair, is gold good? If I were to choose one pair and trade for the rest of my life, I would choose gold. Yeah. Why didn't you enter gold, Don? Because I didn't like I liked this range originally. It was cool. I mean, I would have been break even probably by now. Because it's got like 8 pips here, tap that resistance, break even. Price went back down after. But I didn't like it because the 4 count was bearish though. So I wanted a closure above 1805 to avoid all of this. That's me though. That was just me.
Yeah, I think if we were closing
I think
like
that's-
that at 8, then I would have took that.
This 1 hour is key on GG as well, because if it closes below this range here, then we're in trouble. I mean, that we're probably just gonna continue down here and there's no buys. But if we close respecting it, we have a high chance that prices still push up. We're onion play later on, but
Yeah, we have that.
no buys until 157.693 chat. I probably won't tap the onion. Or you know, maybe I would, yeah, because the 4 hours still bullish. If we get an onion at 9 AM, then that's different. I'll take it. But hi, first time here. Hey, welcome back. I mean, hey, welcome. Welcome back for me. It's my first time here in a week. What up, chat? Hope you guys are doing good, man. Hope you guys are doing good, doing great, doing good. If you guys are new here, leave a like on the stream. Sub to the channel if you guys are new. Appreciate it a lot, chat. Do I need an app for Discord? Try to join our Discord, but when I click accept the name to accept the invite, what could be the problem? It might be because you're on the data. Try going on Wi-Fi or
link.
something.
The link might be expired.
The link, don't think it's expired. Hold on. What's the Discord link?
Depending on which one, it depends on which one he's using.
No, it's not expired. Still here. Oh, the YouTube one. Yeah, the what do you call it?
Telegram.
The YouTube chat one is not. You don't need an app though, but I prefer getting an app for Discord. Works way better. Or a web browser is fine too. We want to try for stream today? I'll take it.
Oh, there we go. I believe gold is done making that lower wick on 30. Let's see.
Could be. Could be.
Well,
1
there's
hour,
nothing-
4 minutes for a 1 hour closure here.
Yeah.
I mean, if he closes above his range here, that won't be bad.
Yeah. Completely agree.
On a 1 hour time frame.
I think the smartest thing to do would have been to wait for a 4 hour, like any sort of 4 hour support to form personally. Like that's what I was thinking when I got on. I'm like, I want like a 4 hour green, and then we'll look for positions.
Let's make sure Discord app is open. Try that. When will the 4 hour close? Look right on your train view. An hour and a half here. 9 a.m. 4 hour cam closure for me on this on a WAN broker at least. All brokers are different. I was playing. What do you think about you're in London? I can't check that chart, man. Send it on Discord. Send it on Discord. I'll check it out here. Bad Beakles. What's going on, brother? Hungry chat. Yeah, Cliff Bar, sure. It's okay. Yo, Marcos. By the way, that I emailed Gary V's team, and they reply within like 2 minutes. And they're like, "Yeah, it's all good, man. Just resend the form." I'm like, "Okay, cool."
Oh, nice.
Cool. And
Apply for a job with Gary Vee.
yeah, nah, it was for the books. It was for the books.
Forex trader.
Resend your resume, please.
You made it to the next round of interviews.
Yes, sir. So he's gonna be like, so first question, how much does it cost to buy the Jets?
We'll be coming less now. We'll be like, actually, they gotta win. They're like 1-5.
The Jets could go 0-16 and sell for over $1 billion.
I feel like he could buy it now, but I think he wants to like be comfy.
I'm sure he could put together a group to buy it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's just
He could do the Jay-Z route. What does Jay-Z own of the Nets?
Brooklyn
Like
Nets.
1%.
Oh, 1%.
You know?
like Jay-Z said, Nets could go 0-82, and I look at you like this shit crazy.
Whoa. Dubs in the chat for Paula Berry. Thanks for the transfer to $10 dono. Yo, I remember Paula Berry. Yo, who remembers Paula Berry, chat? Who remembers that?
That's it. Only 10.
Ali
That's
Berry?
little for Paul. Paul used to go 10, 10, 10.
Oh, yeah. Yo, you gotta donate,
That's it.
Paul, but I appreciate it a lot, man. Dubs, thank you.
Bidding for the wrench starts at $20. $20.
Halle Berry.
Walla, let's call it Wawa Berry. Wawa Berry. Dubs.
Wall Bowery.
Yeah.
WWW.
There you go. W, man. Appreciate it a lot. Thanks for 10 dono. I guess we can play
For you to
music
go
for next
get
month
some
now.
food. Just bought you breakfast.
Basically.
What's for breakfast today?
I don't know, bro. I got Cliff Bars, I got cashews, I got pistachios. But I don't know. I want actual food. I'm hungry.
I got these cheeseburgers, man. You ever seen that movie?
No.
No.
You never seen Don't Be a Menace?
No.
Stop.
Never.
That's one of the funniest movies of all time, dog. You're gonna like it better than We're the Millers. Write it down, watch it tonight. You're gonna be what?
How do you guys feel about gold? Like on the hourly, it closed 1 pip above the last hourly, but I don't think it's very good. I feel like it's a, I don't think it's a confirmed break.
Pardon? Say it again?
The hourly on my screen closed like 1 pip above the other hourly, but I don't think it was a good close because it didn't really close above the range.
Sorry, the song was distracting me. What the fuck is that? Are your screen close a pip above on gold?
Yes.
No,
Hourly?
it didn't.
Hey man, by the looks
I
of it,
don't
man, I
think-
think there's a resistance here.
Exactly, I was gonna say, but I
That's
didn't
chalked as
above
hell.
the resistance.
Yeah.
I want the daily to flip low key, but that's just me.
I think it has to
What
close
is this?
completely
What
above that
is this?
resistance.
What
Yo,
am I listening to?
I'm on. Oh, you don't know a song? I know a song.
Nah.
Sound like the Muppets.
Hold on, chat. Give me a second. Just looking at something.
Oh, I'm about to get stop loss. How is it not hitting my stop loss? This is crazy.
Did your stop loss still make sense? 30 minute? I think your
No,
stop
it was
loss
on
will
the
make.
No. It wasn't on the 30 minute. I moved it up to the 15. I didn't want to hold it all the way in the bottom. Cause like the hourly as well.
This dude's getting slipped. His whole account's gone.
Yeah, imagine that'd be. Yeah.
There's a 10-minute salary happening.
It's fine.
That's
I was
the
pretty
time frame.
happy
Yo, nobody in the chat. Nobody at all. I think look what Julian says.
We got chat open.
Nobody at all. And he goes, you know the last time you just played, man? Well, that's what I did. Cool, bro. Shit.
Fine, chat. Julian, the last one you played was. Rob,
by Black Horses.
Rob, I have a 200k funded account. It's my first month trading it, so I'm not really used to it yet.
Something about Black Air Force is expired. The link shows expired. Can you try the link in the YouTube down? I mean, try the link in our bio on our Instagram page, on our Beacons link. Try that. If that doesn't work, then I don't know. Give me a private message on Instagram or something. The link should be working still. I'm pretty sure. Let me just double check. It should still be working.
What's Marco's doing?
Yeah, it's here. It's here still.
Why are you laughing?
What did I do?
Sitting there laughing.
Marco's laughing his way to the bank, man, every day.
You know what's funny? I actually haven't been to a bank in person in so long.
I like long romantic walks to the bank.
Me too. Hey. My dog's got a physical today. It's gonna be a good day, guys. Get her shots.
Trevx, why are your TP targets for setup 1 normally at a minor resistance and not a normal resistance? Is there a reason why? What do you mean? It's just an extra resistance. So for me, if I was looking for buys now on GJ above 157,693, it's gonna be this resistance right here, the next level of resistance possible. I don't know what our normal resistance is. I mean, yeah, it'll be there. I mean, you can put it anywhere you want. You can put a TP anywhere you want, right? This is how I put it. I put it there because like I understand that the day time frame resistance is up here at 158,074, which is like on 30-minute time frame a little below that resistance area. So it's like you might as well put it here, and that's just the next range I'm looking towards. That's the end of clean traffic for me, right? Look, this is all clean traffic here. Looking left here. If you get a closure above, the clean traffic ends where? It ends here, right? Because that's where you reach some trouble here, and when you reach trouble, that's when price starts to range and do all the wonky stuff. So that's when you want to get out of the trade. At least that's why I'll get out. Have you guys heard of the talking options go get exposed? I don't got social media, brother. Now, would you ever enter on a 15-minute fake out if this 15-minute closes above 157.43? On gold or GJ? I think GJ definitely not bad at all if you get a 30-minute closure back into the range. Yeah. But yeah,
you really heard about it. It's crazy.
You registered? You just stopped out?
Yeah. Yes, I did.
No, I didn't hear about it. Works, but I mean it.
No, there's nothing to do with the industry. It's just, you know, like something completely different. Just YouTube is just like the shit she did.
Damn. I mean, I ain't know, bro.
Who?
They made like YouTube. There's videos on YouTube like about shit she was. Has nothing to do with like trading or forex. It's just it's dirty. Entire chat's YouTubing it right now.
I don't know.
Why is Marco's always?
Reza, please check your Discord.
Alex, I just missed you.
Liar, nobody misses me.
I miss you, brother.
People take vacations because of me.
I said that in my freaking Amazon A word responded. Can't even say the name without it yelling at me.
Oh. Celery.
1 hour start, 30-minute start play here. Looking good, looking solid.
Okay.
Looking good, looking great. Get the sticks, get the mop. Please do only Drake,
Hey.
bro. No, bro. There's more music than Drake, bro. Come on, bro.
What was that weird song we had the other day before you left?
What song? Oh, the coconut song.
The coconut
Coconut
song.
song.
Say
Some
the
good
pineapple
vibes.
song.
Some good vibes.
I missed the coconut song.
You guys know Baby Keem? You guys know Baby Keem, chat? Chat, you guys only listen to Drake and fucking...
Top of the morning. Is that him, right? Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Top of the... That's him, right?
This chat only listens to Drake and Travis Scott, bro. I swear, chat. Come on.
That's basic.
Can you play G-Eazy next?
Jeezy.
Sure.
Yeah.
I mean, I've been listening to Baby Keem for like, I think
Oh, we broke the
quite a
high
bit
zone.
before this album came out. We're in your top 5. Damn, man. I thought we were gonna get something decent a bit earlier today, but right now it's looking pretty boring. Goal is, I mean, whatever, but yeah, 20 minutes left for a closure.
She's closed below the range.
Oh, how did everyone else's gold trade go
on
in
the
chat?
hour, and this one's rejecting.
You looking for sales wicks or you looking for range 2?
I know that we're gonna, if we get a bullish closure right here and a seller replay going down, it's gonna run this whole range down. It's
But
overdue.
yeah, but we're not. I mean, you're not looking for anything,
it's
are you?
rejected. It's rejected everything here. This 4 hour is just massively bullish with a big top wick. Daily, the closures on daily were bullish. Everything's bullish. So this is kind of, it's very hard for me to see a trade that I know is good, but goes against my rules. But I don't mind not taking it because I'd rather take the buys if it pops up. If it
That
closes
was
above.
very well said, Wix. Say that again? You said I don't mind taking a trade that doesn't go with my, what'd you say? A good trade that doesn't go with my rules.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna. I have an issue with taking a good trade that I've seen work out, but it goes against my rules. It's just overall, like, what are the chances of having a successful, short on a bullish day? So,
Yeah.
What are you looking for in DJ? Support to take buys or sells? So chat, if you're thinking sells here, be careful because this is not a range 2 breakout. It's a range 1 breakout. So likely you can get caught in a fake out today with the fact that the day candle is bullish too. So be careful when taking sells. I'll wait for a range 2 breakout for that to occur. But as of right now, I'm looking for buys if we do come back into the range here. Only if you do come back into this range for a fake out, or 2 if you close above 157 later on.
Don't forget, range 2 doesn't necessarily mean below 156, 837. We can create range 2 before we get there.
Yes, exactly. You can. I mean, I'll draw it out here to make it easy for you guys, but Forex Simulator just do this, right? And if it does, then if it does this, comes down
in the
and
middle of the range.
creates support here, and then I guess you can see like this is your second range here. Right, this is your first range, resistance, support, and then this is your second range here. This would be a range 2 breakout. Now you need a closure below here for sells, right? And that would be a range 2 breakout for sells. That's where I take my sells coming down.
Yep.
But until you get that range 2 breakout or the range 2 formed, there's no sells for me. I'll be very careful here.
Below range 1, if we form support, that support is typically formed for us to go back up into range 1 for a fake out for buys. But if we break that support, go lower, and then form another support that's forming range 2, and then we don't drive up again, the chances of us coming down are much higher than they were on the initial support. So
Correct.
by range 2 breakouts, baby.
If you're new here and confused about that, go on exclamation point ranges. You get a video on us explaining range 1 versus range 2 breakouts and why we use them and how we avoid fake outs long term, right? For next gold range, would TP targets be 1807 or 1808, and why? Next gold targets for me would be 1809, or yeah, around like 1808 ish. Looking left here, if you look left here, you see all these rejections there. Rejection, 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 rejection. All those rejections there. So if you get closure above there, we'll be looking for buys going up. And where's the next level of rejection, or next range, next resistance at least? Will be right here. Rejection, 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 rejection. So I'll draw a line right here for my TP. So if we're looking for buys, it'll be above here, going up to fill that range. This piece right here is what we're looking for.
Pay attention, chat. There's just literally a reason for everything.
Yeah.
There's like no, like, oh, we're not gonna buy here. We don't like it here. Don't like it there. Like it.
There's a reason I don't like it.
There's a reason for this. Pay attention. There's a reason the seller replay wasn't that great. This is the reason all those rejection wicks are up there and the zone is formed. See, when somebody asks you why, you can explain why.
Exactly. And that's the beauty of FX. Right? I mean, this is any strategy. It doesn't have to be our strategy. Like you can have your own strategy, but just make sure you can like explain it and understand each little thing that you do in trading, like why you're moving your stop loss, why you're moving your TP, like nothing. Everything should be able to be explained. Good tea. Is there frost in my window?
Also,
I'll be outside.
watch this 1 hour candle on gold, because this is probably you're gonna have volume coming in these next 2 hours. So the 8 a.m. volume and the 9:30 volume. So you're probably gonna get direction here. It's gonna tell you where it's going, so you could take advantage of it within the next hour. Like, we're gonna get volume and it should move, and once it moves, it's gonna give you direction. And work off the 9 a.m. candle with it, because it's already 8:15. For us to really get direction and a setup and an entry, it's going to be probably at least 9 a.m. for gold.
What got you into FX? My friend. He's like, yo, Don, you ever heard of FX? I'm like, no, what's that? And he started telling me about like how you could make money trading oils, currency pairs, gold, etc. And I was like, cool.
Does that friend still trade?
Yes, he does. Is he in the Zoom call right now? He was popping in a lot last year. No, he's not on right now, but he still trades. Yeah, he's like the only person I know that still trades to this day that I met at the beginning.
To this day.
A lot of people when I met them, 3 years ago, aren't trading or they just gave up or something. I don't know.
I guess we'll never know.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
So I was figuring out which one it was. I forgot where my buttons are laid out. You're not that guy, pal.
To this day.
I'm done. My stylus was a previous 15 minute on gold. It just tricked me in Rizza and suggested. Oh yeah, Rizza got faked out too. Yeah, so like earlier on when Rizza measured that too, I also said like I rather use a 1 hour stop loss, like just because it makes the most sense. It's like the 15 can break lows, the 5 minute can break lows, 30 minute can break lows, but the 1 hour candle could still be respected. Direction. Yeah, and the 1 hour candle still closed bullish here. So like it did close bullish respecting this resistance, hence why this kind of could still push down, but you had a higher probability of the trade playing out if you were to have the 3rd minute stop loss, I believe. But yeah, I mean that's what I would have done. I would have left at the 3rd minute stop loss. The 15 minute stop loss doesn't make sense for me no more, especially since we closed bearish here too. I would just close half maybe, and let the rest run and have the original stop loss at the 1 hour low, because it closed bearish back into the range.
Even when the 30 closed back in the range, you still would have just kept the position.
I mean the 30. My bad, 30. Yeah, 30 closed back into the range. I would have closed half maybe. But it depends. If I answered off the 1 hour, which I probably would have for the 1 hour starter play, then I would have just had the 1 hour stop loss originally.
I interrupted the 30.
Yeah, you have to have 30, right? So I mean, off the 30, I see you could just close half and have the stop loss at the original 3rd minute stop, which is down here, 1 hour lows.
And just trusted the analysis,
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I need to work on that. I don't like when the analysis takes long, I just stop trusting it. I'm completely wrong.
Yeah, because I mean, I learned my lesson like this one time. Like that's what changed that's what changed it for me. This one time, like I was near my stop loss. It was like 4 pips away. I was down like 20 pips, and then I was like, oh, you know what? It's near my stop loss. I'm just gonna close it. Next thing you know, price respects that low and starts to push up. So moral story is, like the trade makes sense till it doesn't make sense. Don't get emotional about it. It's like there's a stop loss there, and if you have a logical stop loss and not just a round stop loss, it's there for a reason. Understand that if it breaks that low, then that's when it won't be valid. But until it actually breaks that low, your trade's still valid, and person do whatever it wants to do at the end of the day.
Coffee in the joint.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, bro, that's a good time. He's so self-conscious.
You dig.
The major that she majoring don't make no sense. Don't make no money. Damn, yeah, gold is not picking a direction anymore. That's crazy. I believe it's gonna go up, but no confidence.
Part 1.
GA sells below 1.83650. I'm not looking at GA, brother, but gonna ride VKKT. Don't know what that is for a few weeks. I think financial is possible. All crypto holders will start to jump in. All right, man. Market maker, here we come. They flip 4-hour flip on what time frame? On GJ? Oh no, I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, yo, might get a fake out, chat. Chat, what do we say, chat? So if you get close back into the range in 8 minutes here, 8:30, I'm in for a buy. Stop loss will be the previous 30-minute lows, and TP will be up here for around 27 pips. All right, that's if you close back into the range. Only if, okay. So don't try to jump in early. Don't try to be, ahead of the curve. You can if you have another entry, but for me at least, I'm waiting for its 30-year close. Hey, but if you avoid the fake out, man, potentially could be a fake out. Say congrats.
Clean.
Oof.
Damn, gold.
Give it to me 30.
You felt that fake out? Hey man, it'll be great if you get closer back to the range. It'll be great. Come on. Sometimes I just want to speed the time over, man. I just want to speed up to 7 minutes here, and just fortunately we can't.
I'm gonna light a candle for us. There we go, Don.
What's up, brother?
I lit this candle for you.
That's a flashlight, my guy. Oh wait, that's the candle.
You said that's a flashlight.
I don't know. My girl came in here. She was like, "Here, it's a manly smell. You'll like it. It smells like coconuts."
I've been on my candle grind lately. Got those fall flavors.
I got my candles.
I got that pumpkin spice.
Yeah.
My candles.
Don't sleep on fall candles are the best, bro.
Oh, what you got? What is that? It's backwards. I couldn't read it. Yeah, I got. You want to talk about fall candles? I'm ready. I'm ready for this.
Nah, look what we're on. This is what we're on.
I'm ready for this winter time right now.
We on that foliage woodland road trip.
Damn.
It's blurring in and out. There we go. That foliage.
Dog. You don't see the little snowman, dog?
That's Christmas.
Yeah.
We on the wrong season. It's October.
It's about to smell like pine in here.
It's spooky season, bro.
No, fuck pumpkin spice. It's gonna smell like onions.
Yo,
That pumpkin spice.
I don't know what it is, man.
Tries out.
I think this whole pumpkin thing drink. I don't know, man. Like, do you like pumpkin shit? Like pumpkin
No,
spice,
I
like
don't like-
lattes,
I don't
and
like pumpkin.
food and
Pumpkin
pies
nasty.
and shit. I hate pumpkin.
No. It's disgusting.
When's Thanksgiving for you guys? Next week?
Thanksgiving, November.
November what? Oh, when's Black
Something
Friday?
like-
November 5th or something, right?
Sometime at the end, bro.
When is Black Friday?
Yo, I once on Black Friday stood outside of Best Buy from like, I don't know, from like 8 to like 3 a.m. to buy nothing.
That man, it feels bad, man. I'm excited. That's like me. You know, I be standing from 5 to 8 on the streams and don't catch anything.
No, I stood from like 8 to 5.
Hey man, it's okay. We all day on the stream, no trades, no movement.
We're about to get some movement right now.
Gold
About
is
to
dumb.
retest these highs, buddy.
But I'll get this fake out on GJ here in about 5 minutes here, man. 5 minutes. Ain't that right, Alicia Keys?
Holy, gold's dumping.
Yeah, man. You know what that means on Reza?
What does that mean? I was wrong?
No.
You saved
It
your
means you
account.
had your stop loss for a reason.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Their news.
But we also talked about this counter here too, how it closed below the range. Chat, we said how it could still
Yeah.
drive down here, to be careful. There was no closure.
On 9 a.m. news, 10 a.m. news.
This line is so powerful here. Just drawing a line there, understanding it's a resistance is crazy. But yeah, this is news for sure. 100% news. This is no way we get this instant spike like that. Let's see what it is though.
Nothing that should be active right now. I don't understand.
Don't
9
know.
a.m. and 10 a.m. news. Something
Maybe
else.
volume? I don't know. I doubt it. It's like 100 pips, man. 5-minute candle.
At 8.
All right, chat. Chat, come out. Who caught this? Oh my god, I just caught this. Who caught this? Chat, come out. Watch, the viewers will start to come back up. People are going to come back to the stream to say,
I'm up 100 pips, sir.
I'm up 100 pips today.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie.
Told you it was a sell.
But I
I ain't gonna lie, but I re-entered. I caught this seriously. Good job. Yo, good job you guys caught
People
though.
always-
Good job.
lie, but I have buy stops and sell stops.
They always start with not gonna lie. Like what?
I'm not gonna
Why are
lie.
you lying then?
Not gonna lie, I caught this.
I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, they're...
17 on the top.
Yeah, yo, who heard the new Weekend
Oh,
song? That new
oh.
Weekend song is so fire. Probably one of my favorite songs in a while from the Weekend. That's just so good. Yeah, go tap that support level. Yeah, so sells for me now would be let's take this out so you guys don't get confused anymore. But sells for me would be a range tree breakout, so 1, 2, probably below here, 1799 coming down towards like 1794-ish. I'm expecting this wick to get filled here in about a minute here. This 30-minute closure. Wow, yo, what already happened? What day was this? The 22nd? That was last Thursday. Holy shit. You guys caught that, right, Wix? Reza? Are you guys?
Yeah,
What?
I caught a trade every
Yeah.
single
That made me a lot of money.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah.
I don't know if I caught that specifically. I know I caught something every single day.
Yo, a
were
minute and a
still-
half.
Oh, wait, no. Thursday's when I got destroyed.
Damn, brother. The show
Oh.
about the markets.
Thursday, I had a win and a loss, and I was up. I had a small loss and a big win. I remember Thursday, I had a buy that I got, that it came back down, hit my stop, and then I gave the position a second chance like half hour later, and it flew.
Oh, chat. A minute left for a potential trade here. A minute left for a potential trade.
It's a little chilly in here.
Well, we gotta close above here. We gotta close above 157 487,387. Okay. If it closes right at resistance, then no, nothing for me, chat.
I think I'm gonna need a break of this high too.
Really?
Break of this.
Well, if you
candle
get
high,
no
30
bottom
high.
wick, then yeah, but
Not even that, because like look at the hourly. Like this thing can flip. And if it does,
yeah, one hour can still
range.
flip.
So if we get a bottom wick and a break of the high, I think here.
How big are stops there? 13 pips. Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna need a decent wick, bottom wick, chat, and once you get a decent bottom wick, I'll be in. I'm not really gonna wait for the break of the highs. Yeah, it's an extra what? 7 pips. I want to be break even at that point. Yeah, that's 7 pips, bro. That wick.
Get the fuck out of here.
That's 7 pips, man. You thought it was like what? 2 pips?
I thought it was like 2 pips here.
No, it's like 7, man. That's a huge wick. A lot of volume too.
Yeah, 6 pips.
I had a pretty good month in October though. Not gonna lie, not a lot of losses. Barely any.
Yeah, I got 3 losses all month.
Yeah, I got like 2. Pretty good month. All right, nice. We're getting a bottom wick here, chat. We're getting a bottom wick here, chat. If you get a nice wick, then we'll enter in a re-break of the current kind of highs. Is that the wick?
What, half a pip?
Is that the wick?
1.3 pips.
Come on, something better. Give us something. If that's the wick, then we gotta wait for the break of the highs, which ain't bad. And we'll place a buy stop here. But if that's not the wick, then we'll wait enter on the flip, which is what I want. Either way, it'll be a 1-to-1. Oh, but right now, potentially, yeah, let's place it right now, just in case this is the wick. 157 point or something.
488. I'm putting it in.
Put the fucking mic on. Mic is on.
Nice. 157 8 48 487.
Ah.
Cool.
Oh.
And I'm in.
Are you?
Yeah, my spread's activated.
I'm not in yet.
Really?
I'm not in yet.
Oh, well. I got activated at 157.467. I'm in, chat. In a position here. Got activated here on the buys. But spreads, I believe. Stop loss is the pros kind of low. And TP is up here for around 22 pips. So this is the trade I'm in. Wanted to enter originally on the, what do you call it? The flip the candle after a small wick, but since we got a small wick here, wait for the break of the highs here. I know we didn't actually break it yet, but my spreads got me activated here, hence why I'm in a trade right now. But yeah, I would expect that to break the highs for price to drive up here, and just think better break the highs, because if this doesn't break the highs and activate with spreads, then that would be really annoying. Really annoying. Kind of activated by like half a pip. I think I put my buy stop like very close to the break of the highs, so. Stop loss is 18 pips, chat. TP is 22. Mac, I trade it. Let's see how it plays out. Damn, what's your buy stop? On traders.
488.
Damn, I hate you. Ah, damn. Oh, you put a little above. Yeah, I feel like I'm right with man.
I put 1.2 pips above.
Yeah, I didn't cover for spreads there. That's fine. It's all goody. I don't know who Marcus was talking to. The chat. Remember that day when Wicksound was frozen on the screen and we kept talking, but he didn't even reply back to us or anything.
Yo, I rewatched that stream. It was so hilarious. You texted me later. You're like, yo, just rewatch the stream.
Wix didn't know that he was doing that. Like, he didn't know that he was on still. He thought he was frozen and hopped off Zoom or something.
No, my screen for my Zoom froze. So my chart was working, my MT5, but my Zoom froze. I didn't want to restart the computer because I was in a trade.
Oh, gold here. How did it close here? Gold here. Closing 24 minutes here. Third minute candle close right here, reflecting that support level. Interesting. Okay, cool. So I didn't talk about managing risk, right? I know I've been rusty, but I forgot. Okay, so managing risk in a winning situation. What I'll do here is probably when we get to around, I want to say around here, this resistance here. This is probably where I'll move my stops to break even. This resistance here. All right, we'll move stops to break even there. As that is my level of resistance. And then 2, how I will manage risk in a losing situation is probably if we close below like 157, 387. So if we end up closing like this somehow, some way, then later on we might consider closing half my positions. As price will be breaking below the support here, as we're not expecting that to happen. As since we're obviously bullish here, right? So we'll close half, or I close full, but other than that, the original stop loss is going to be 157, 286 here for around 18 pips. Remember the song chat? Why don't you put your stop on support? It doesn't make sense to do so. There's nothing breaking. Like, even if the price were to come down and below that support, nothing's breaking. We're not breaking any lows, right? This trade is valid. I understand this trade is valid because this candle here closed back into the range here. So it would only make sense that as long as price respects the previous candle low, price is valid to drive up. Price can literally come all the way down here and still respect that low for price to drive up. But once you break that low, that's when you're probably gonna start to see price drive down further. All right. That's why my stop loss is there, not the middle of a candle. Come on, like whenever you take a trade, you guys don't understand. You know, there's a difference between an emotional stop loss and an actual technical stop loss. All right. This is a textbook parsley play. Let's see.
No. This is a throwback.
Pardon? This is a throwback?
Yeah, it's a throwback.
Yo, give us a request for a song. Are you in the stream, Marcos?
Am I on the YouTube chat?
No, are you in a trade?
I haven't been activated yet.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, I haven't been activated either. Dude, like moments like this, bro, this is when I start getting nervous as I was gone.
Sorry? Oh, it's when you get nervous? Yeah, for me it's like,
Yeah,
well,
yeah.
if you hit stops, what'd you do, Reza? What'd you do? What changes? Nothing. If you hit TP, what changes? Nothing. Right? So that's how I looked at it. That's it. That's about it. Except for a loss, except for a win before it even plays out or doesn't play out.
I just got activated now.
As long as you stick to your plan. Right, chat? Yeah, chat. Yeah. We in profits here. Little by little. Can we hit the break-even mark? Will this be a one push go towards TP? Let's see. Let's find out. First trade back. When we go break even, 5-7% profit. Cool. I am 5 pips in profit here. 4.60. Oh, there you go. We'll move my stops to break even, chat. Making this a risk-free trade. Feels good. Feels great. And now it's either TP or 10 pips. Let's see. see, chat. Cool. Can we get 10 pips though? Okay, so now instead of this, where's our 10 pip mark? That's the next step. We managed risk already. Where's the next mark? 10% pips. That's gonna be around here. So right here is probably when I'm going to close half of my positions. All right. Cool. First trade back feels good. Was that nervous? No, for some reason. Wix, so you in profit? You break even? What you guys got going on? Wix, Marcos, and Reza.
Oh, to be honest, I'm just straight copying you on this trade. Yeah. Everything you're doing, I'm doing on this one.
Oh, cool.
I'm running at break even.
I'm running at about 5 pips.
Did you get in?
I'm up 5 pips, break even.
Nice.
No, I'm at the current candle low. I'm not break even, but I'm up. Here we go.
Here we go. I'm at 7 pips. Not gonna lie, chat. Not even anything crazy.
Around 7.
Yeah. Let's see. Can we get 10 pips? Can we get 10 pips, man? I want to play the sound, chat. I want to play the.
She's a runner. She's a runner. She's a track star.
Play it.
Yeah, that'll be fire. Huh? Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna hit stop loss.
Come on, not with this song. Not with this song. You can't stop loss with this song or break even with this song.
Oh, no, this one. Oh, break even. Yeah, it's fine. Okay.
Can we get 10 pips, please? Was this song in Karate Kid? Yes, no. Karate Kid 2. Damn, Sharif moving over there. Jumping.
No way, Sharif's on camera?
He comes on camera by accident sometimes. I don't think he
always
knows.
just here.
He always
He's
comes by
on camera.
accident. I don't think he knows.
Yeah, I think he knows. He just starts. Oh yeah, turn it off. He just starts taking a shit. He pulls down his pants. You're seeing shit.
Yo, Mr. JXTR, you can unmute your mic, brother. You can got text in the Zoom call. You just unmute your mic. Anyone can unmute their mic and just talk. You know.
Dude, you don't have to be sorry, Sharif.
Nah, you.
Conscious.
Oh, what up, Mr. JXTR? What's going on?
I actually got my 10 pips already.
You got your 10
entered
pips? Damn. What was your entry?
I entered on the flip when it re-break the current candle.
Oh, the current candle. Oh, earlier.
He
Yeah.
doesn't say anything all streams. Hops on stream just to flex on.
No, he's been on Zoom. He's been on Zoom. He's been on
I'm
Zoom.
typing. I'm just typing.
He's been on Zoom.
I hit my break even.
Really? I'm 3.5 pips in profit here. 3.5.
I guess that spread was a good thing for you.
Yeah, I mean, I have 4 pips now. Can we get 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe it was good. 5 pips. Okay.
Yeah. I'm crossed out.
I got 3, 4, nothing more.
Yeah.
Lags, Dr. Seuss.
My exact entry chat was 157.467. My spreads on GJ right now are 1.4, 1.3 pips. Oh. Good job, Mr. JXTR. W.
Good job. Man.
Yo, all mods, by the way, has access to the Zoom calls. By the way. Oh, YouTube mods at least, not Discord mods, only YouTube mods. So if you get a notification every morning for a Zoom call, you can just join. People think you can't join, but you can join. I really want to try to hit TP here, but it makes sense. Look where we tap, chat. We tap this resistance here, right? So it makes sense why price is rejecting here and struggling here for a bit. I think what we gotta do here is wait for this 15-minute closer in about 51 seconds. And once the 15-minute closes here, you can then look for buys going up here. But I think you need, again, that bottom wick, which you gotta survive. And if you survive that, we should be in good hands to go up towards TP. 35 seconds. I would want this count to close as high as possible here, so we have the highest chance to survive the bottom wick here. Yo, Wix, are you gonna move your stops to the current candle lows instead and not break even?
Yeah, that's what I did right now. Instead of break even, I
cool.
have current candle.
Watch the one time you do it, it gets a stop.
Bro, stop playing games. Stop jinxing these things.
Watch it break even, and I don't.
Okay, here we go. We close.
Here we go.
They went
Bottom
straight
wick.
up.
Shit. Yeah, we're going down for a bottom wick, chat, unfortunately. Here it goes. Let's see how far the pullback is, though. Shakira, goddamn.
Do I break even or do I not break even?
Come on, smack that TP, man. Come on.
Yeah, maybe we'll just get
Like
10
that.
before it makes a bottom wick.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Let's go.
Oh.
There you go.
9 pips?
10.
I think I'm gonna close half at 9 pips here, chat. I'm gonna close half at 9 pips here, chat. Lock in half and then a runner go TP. Alright? So closing half at 9 here.
I closed, so I had a 12 lot running.
Nice.
And I closed
12 lot.
Yeah, and I closed 8 lots. Hold on one sec, I got my baby next. I'm talking to the stream, baby. Why are you yelling? She's like, Dad, what did you say?
Hit buy.
So yeah, I took a 12 lot. I closed 8 lots at 9 pips, and now I got a 4 lot running with stops at even with at 12 pips.
Works now from nerd W trade. Oh shit, we flying here,
She's
man.
a runner. She's a runner. She's a runner. She's a track star.
She a runner. She a track star.
Congrats to everyone about that.
Dubs in the chat, everyone. Yo, chat,
Dubs.
spam it one more time for Instagram real quick. I know it's good to be back, but I need this spam today, all right? Just keep spamming W's in the chat. Keep doing it.
Dub.
Oh.
But on, keep going.
Don't stop.
www. Amazing
Whoa,
trade
whoa,
on
whoa,
screen
whoa.
here. Plus 10 tips here. Lovely plus runner. Dubs in the chat. First day back. All right, cool.
You can bank on it. And
Damn,
then
we
pause.
feeling good, feeling great.
We smacked it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I just closed another 2 lots. So I closed 10 lots at 10 pips, and I got a.
Oh yeah, what's everyone's account leverage on? I know Dawn's
2 lots
500.
running.
500.
Leverage 1,500.
Wix, are you 500 as well?
100 on gold and 500 on GJ.
Oh, it changes?
Yo, chat. Real quick, chat. Real quick. I'm putting my TP here at 157,630 instead. That is a 1 hour resistance, 30-minute resistance. So honestly, if you just have to pull back here, I might just close the full position. Yeah, I was gonna say so as well. Might just close right now here, clocking a total of 14 pips in general. Lovely.
W.
Let me just close real quick. Perfect. Perfect, chat. Perfect trade here. First of all, we won a trade. But not only did we win the trade, guess what we did? We avoided the fake out. A lot of people got faked out here, right? Buys below here, sells below here. No bias. But range 2 fake out, boom. This is why we stick to range 2 fake outs or range 2 breakouts. And this happens to be a range 1 breakout. So Dubs in the chat. Dubs in the chat.
Dubs in the chat.
Yes, we're learning a lot today. You know, first day back, you know, some of you guys thought we've been rusty. You know, forgot how to trade, but I think it feels good to be back, man. It's good to give you guys a W as well today too. So appreciate you guys for being here as always.
Pips, coffee, joint. What else do you need?
Yeah.
Maybe a candle.
Maybe a candle. Do you cut that one too?
Marcos, you close full?
Yeah, I closed.
Nice.
Marcos hit stops. He's upset.
How'd you feel your first trade in 2 weeks, man? How'd you feel?
Feels like it's easy mode. I'm not gonna lie.
It feels like it's on easy mode.
Yeah.
Damn, yo, I'm surprised we have this volume and this movement in October, bro.
I hate when people say it feels like it's on easy mode.
I feel like politically around the world, there's just so much stuff going on. That's why.
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Squid
there's
Game.
just so much shit happening.
I don't be watching the news, so it feels the same to me.
No, you know, he's like his volume and all.
Remember that song? Back home. Yo, Mary.
Next to each other sideways.
Good job. 2% or 1% or the 2% win.
Marco,
What's up?
cup. Give me 5.
Look at these creases on my hand. Someone tell me my fortune.
It looks like you have a bullish life, man.
Damn, son. It looks like you do manual labor every day of your life.
Construction hands? I got pretty hands apparently, bro. I ain't got, I barely got calluses or anything.
Nah, you crazy. I got calluses, but my hands are mad soft.
I got trader hands.
I'd be moisturizing, so I don't know.
All right, brother.
For red eyes, use clear eyes. Moisturize.
Good dub, everyone. On that note, I'm gonna go make some breakfast.
Oh, whatever, bro. Fuck off. He hops off for 30 minutes, starts a chat, gets a trade, hops off for free.
Y'all have fun at your 9 to 5. I'm gonna take my signal and I'm gonna go make some breakfast.
10 minutes.
Gonna sign an autograph or nothing?
Nothing. Nothing.
What again?
Sign
I
the
was
screen.
gonna leave after I hit break even. I'm like, you know what? We'll stay till 9.
Did you re-enter or you just took the break even?
No. I just took the break even.
You see, I'm learning moving stops. I was down maybe a pip in there when it came back.
Yeah,
Like, fuck, I let it come back. I let it come back into negative after being 6-7 pips in profit. I'm an asshole. But I don't know. We've seen it all a lot of times where we put in the middle of the candle. If we put a stop at break even in the middle of the candle, it can take us out. So this is something I'm going to be working on personally for next year. Just bringing stops up to the bottom of the current candle.
Your experience.
Well, right now you just got to share it with me. You hit break even.
Yeah, I know. I'm
full
just
TP.
saying.
And I took so many of those break evens when I don't know.
Yeah.
They should be. Everything was right in the trade except my management. I overmanaged it, put it to break even, and then shit smacks TV. So.
Damn, yo, we closed perfectly. Look where we closed perfectly.
Yeah.
Perfectly. He's like, you see how like it was near TP chat, and like I think last week someone asked me a question about this as well, or 2 weeks ago, and they're like, yo, what if it's near TP and like I missed it by a pip? Like just close it manually. Like what's the point of holding for an extra pip? Like would you rather risk the whole trade for a
at
pip?
That point, yeah, at that point your R is like 26 to 1 or whatever it is, 1 to 20.
You guys put in a TP. I never ever set TP.
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't put it in there. I closed manually there.
I set stops and TPs everywhere because God forbid the shit spikes or goes the other way. I gotta have something in front of me to prove to the broker that I had stops in place and for them to honor it.
Yeah,
so I'll never place a trade with them.
Just no TP.
Dude, I had a time when I placed the trade during their like rollover time. It's like 8 p.m.
Oh yeah.
Where it's like the new day,
Yeah.
and it's you can't put stops on, you can't do anything, and it's like holy shit. For 5 minutes you're sitting there, and it could run for you, it could run against you 1,000 pips. Good luck. And it was the very first trade I placed on the account. They do it at 8 p.m. and I saw the move at 8 p.m. I was like, oh shit. Very first trade I ever placed on this account. It was like that. I had to reach out to them and be like, they're like, you had no stops, you had nothing. How'd you enter the trade? I was like, I was in the, if you can see, I put my TP right before the stop, so I had a chance to put TP, but not a stop loss. Because that's right at that moment it went. I put a stop loss and it's like, nope.
I always put a stop loss, but I never put and I like sometimes I just be too busy doing so much things.
You
like,
gotta, even if it's like not exactly what you want it to be, but just put it on screen so
many
you're
messages, talking, analyzing.
I don't originally put the TP, but I end up always putting it. Like when I enter a trade, I don't put TP. I put stop loss for sure. But like later on in the trade, like a couple minutes go by, I put TP. Usually.
Grand X. My left hand is moisturized.
Wait, what'd you say, Rizzo?
No, I'm out.
Hey, brother. Peace out, Marcos. Take it easy, yo. I'll catch you tomorrow. You're on tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
All right, peace and love.
For the first
Happy
15 and the last
emptying.
15 of the hour. Of the
He'll be on 8:30 till 9.
I was on a lot today. That was like an hour and a half.
All right, brother. Whatever.
Don sounds like a cheese girlfriend. He's like, whatever.
Whatever, man. All love.
All right, yeah.
Fine, it's fine. Do what you want.
Sounds like you. It sounds like you and your boy had plans, and then last minute he canceled them.
Oh, Tyler's going off. Good stuff, Tyler.
Yeah, I'm playing store back bangers. Wait, one.
Yeah,
Yo, good stuff,
11-2.
Tyler. 11 wins, 2 losses, and 3 break evens for October so far. Beautiful month for real. Beautiful month, bro. Surprisingly,
Yeah,
too, you know, was that your best month of the year, Tyler? Or has it been?
You know, percentage-wise, like win to loss ratio, this has been my best month of the year. Not profit-wise, but actual
Really?
percentage.
I think my best month was, what was it, May? Was it May? When we had those, or April, I think. April was my best month by far still. Like,
Yeah, but I'm
not in terms
talking
of
about
profit.
strictly runners. Yeah, I'm talking about like actual.
No, yeah. It
winning
was April for
trades.
me. It was like 20 positions, I think. 20 wins or something.
Yeah, I'm almost at 20. I think I have like 17 or 18 wins and 3 losses this month.
By the way, someone asked earlier about how to get into a Zoom call. The only way to get into a Zoom call is if you purchase the course and have access to Zoom. What you do
Or
with
if
the
Don
course.
makes a mistake and sends you the link by mistake.
Or that. Which doesn't happen anymore. Doesn't happen anymore. What do you say, Reza?
Snuck in a club.
I don't remember what I said.
Oh,
October's been super volatile for me though.
yeah, surprisingly.
Like my first week, I was down 1.5%. Second week, I made back, like on top of, I made back my 1.5 and then I made 4%. And last week, I lost 2.5%. And this week is just kind of break
Those
even.
emotions, eh?
Yeah.
So what are you sitting at, like 205,000 right now?
No, I'm at 203.
203.
203 right now, yeah. But yeah, my psychology's been all over the place. I don't know what to do with it. I was gonna message Don about it later, but then I was also gonna go rewatch his psychology videos. I don't know what's going on.
Take a week off or do what I did last year when my psychology got fucked. I just lowered lots by a lot. Don was like, what are you doing? I was like, yeah. I went from 5 lots to 1 lot.
You guys know how I fixed mine? When my
How?
psychology gets fucked? I don't. There's no
You don't have
psychology.
psychology.
I mean, how's psychology? No.
Psycho as it is.
Yeah, which I thought about lowering lots too, right? But then like,
I have to lower lots if you want your confidence. Like I don't know how where your issue is in psychology, but like
Yeah, I don't
if
know
you're
where it
having
is.
confidence issues, because you could be having like entry issues. You could be holding your. I don't know. You could be actually having like mental blocks and looking at the charts and not seeing anything. Like you ever look and you're like, what the fuck is going on?
no, my problem. I see too many things, bro. I see
So,
like, trades left, right, and center. I'm like,
No
they all
trades.
look
Zoom
good.
out. Go to the higher time frames where you don't see that many trades.
Yeah.
Go and literally drop your lots. I went from like right now I had a 12 lot running, but like last year I was doing 5 lots and I went to 1. It's a big difference, but when you you win, I won like 10, 15 trades and I'm like, all right, yeah, like I know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm going back up because right now I'm losing money by dropping lots and winning these trades. And then it came
Oh,
back.
so you're saying just kind of lower the lots until you kind of get out of that like a rut and like lose trades.
Yeah, where taking a loss isn't hurting you and you can be confident in holding the position till the hour lows instead of the 15 lows. Trust me, because even like 10 positions at smaller lots will add up to some funds.
Yeah,
And you'll be like,
yeah.
all right, I'm seeing a whole bunch of blue. Let me just start, raising on.
Yeah.
Last year, I was like for like 2 or 3 months. I was like, yo, Don, like I've never had this. Like I've always not never had this, but since I became profitable or consistent, I've never had like, oh shit, like a month where I lost and the next month looking down and I was like, fuck, what's going on? Like I had like 6 weeks of like not being able to make profit after, that's a lot of time after, I got a family, I got 3 kids. I quit my job to do this and I do this full time. And at the same time last year, like it was crazy, but like lowered lots when I went through it, raised them.
About the lowering lots,
Mackin'.
I think it might be smart. I always told myself I'm not going to lower my lots after a loss because then you're going to win and that wouldn't help your psychology. When was the last time I had a negative month?
But no, you're not lowering lots for money. You're lowering lots right now for
psychology.
What's your purpose? You trying to make money right now, or you're trying to get back on the right track? Because you could try to make money off the wrong track and get fucked.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. Actually, I'm gonna like manage my shit right now.
Just do it and see how long you would last in the trade. And instead of going to break even, like right there, because you don't want to lose funds, you would have brought it to the candle low, and all you would have lost was much lower because you lowered your lot size. So you're okay with it, and your position at that point also makes more sense.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I'm gonna lower my risk a little bit. I could basically withdraw on the 5th. That's like when my account anniversary is. I don't know if that's what's making me nervous. I don't know what's going on.
The multiple losses in a row make you nervous.
Yeah, I think so. I just stopped trusting myself. Yeah, I'm lowering my risk a little bit. Well, we'll just go till then. It's a little
like if you lower your risk, and then you like if you're really on your way to becoming like a multi-millionaire in trading, like a week of lowering risk will not affect you.
It's not gonna affect it. Yeah.
Neither is a month. Yeah, a month of lowering risk. Even if you're losing or.
Sorry to interrupt. Now thinking about it, I think what's tripping me out is that like the daily profit and loss is like substantial to my actual bank account, you know? Like when I lost 5K, I'm like, holy shit, I just lost my entire bank account a day. And that fucked with my head.
Yeah. It will.
Yeah, I'm gonna lower risk.
It's money. You've never had that much money before.
Yeah.
And you're gonna get more money, and then it's the same cycle again. You're gonna get more money. It's the same cycle over and over again.
You don't have the relationship yet.
Sky's the limit.
I'm off the mindset that like you really have to build up your account. Build up your mindset just like you build up your account. They build together. Because if you're just given $500,000 or 100,000 and you've never had it before, like, holy shit, that's a lot of money.
Yeah, right. Like it's a lot of money to me.
So you know how many problems I could solve with all this one. So.
Oh yeah, another thing I was thinking of. I don't know what you guys think about this. So you know how I'm just gonna ask and hopefully get some opinions. You guys know how a funded account works. You at the end of the day, you still have those risk parameters. So if I lose 5% a day or 10% overall on the account, like I lose the account. I don't have to pay him back, thankfully, but like you can just lose the account, right? And once a month, you could withdraw and you could choose to withdraw fully or not fully and leave some in the bank. The first month, I'm withdrawing fully just because it's been way too long that I've never withdrawn. Just need to recover. But I was thinking like starting the month with like, let's say like half risk, and then if the account's doing well in like halfway through the month, increasing risk and playing more with profits. That was just a thought I had. I just want to know what your opinions on it, Dawn and Wix. So like starting with like lower lots, and then if you're in profit that month, upping your lots, kind of like playing with your profits.
So you're just percentage-wise, you're just using, I don't know, you're using percentage risks, static risk, right?
Yeah, but it's like percentage risk, like it's gonna like differ through the month. So like you start the month out with like, let's say like $500 risk, and then like by the end of the month you do like, let's say you're up like 3K, week 2, you move it to like $1,000, like whatever the number is. Just like it was just a thought I had. I'm just like, I just think out loud.
I don't see anything wrong with it. I don't see any like, I don't know. Maybe there's a benefit to it, like in the macro, you know. Yeah. In the long term, I don't think these things have like much effect. I think your actual trade analysis, breakdown, and trusting your trades is what's it's gonna make you succeed. It's not gonna matter if you're entering half risk here, more risk there. I mean, it will when you're entering higher probability trades. You really want to. You could kind of risk more just to kind of supercharge your account.
Yeah.
But in the long term, in the macro, you want to be correct.
Yeah,
you
you're
have
right.
A high win rate, and you want to keep your wins bigger than losses.
Sorry, I'm editing the video because one on.
I think a lot of people are talking to me and challenging.
Yeah, it's a good combo though. I'm listening to it.
Yeah. I also feel like I'm not as established. Like obviously, like I'm not as established as you and Wix. Like in terms of my psychology, my psychology.
I know.
Like long term, like I don't have like months of like profitability behind me that it's like, yo, you've been doing this for like a year, you know?
Yeah.
Yo, Reza, read The Mental Game of Trading. I'll write it down. I'll check it out. But I think, yeah, I don't know. I've read mental books on trading. It's just like,
for me, it doesn't help.
Yeah, I feel like it doesn't help that much.
I think you can read
Honestly,
as much
like-
as you want, man. But if you don't apply action, there's nothing there to really change you.
Yeah. When was the last time you guys all had a negative month? Mirror Talk, Wix, Don, Reza. Mine was probably like 3 months ago, probably.
The last one I had a negative month was 2 years ago. The last one I had a break-even month. My worst month was maybe September.
Say August.
September, right? Or August.
August, I had like I honestly I was
Break even for
down
me.
in August and I was up. I was up in trading money and down because of commissions because I was break even.
Yeah. The
But
worst.
yeah, I was down like a rack because of commissions. But overall, I think losing month must have been probably last year.
Mirror Talk, don't go for anything but FTMO because even if you only make 1% profit, they keep giving you free retries. With my test, as long as you're just in the money, you're not negative on your step 1, you get a free retry. So it's even a better deal. You only need to make 1%. As long as you're in the money, you're good. Reza funded account, steal account. If someone lost 50% account or they wait until you blow, the funding account closes your account if you lose 10% on the account or 5% of the account in a day. So even if I'm up like, let's say, okay, it's a $200,000 account. Let's say I'm up 20 grand, but I lose 10K in a day, they close me out and I lose the account. W day, W trade, shout out Tyler. Yo Reza, I do that and it works for me. I risk 0% and then switch it to 1 later on. Okay, glad to see someone's using the variable risk of the month and working. Mirror Talk, I feel like you overtrade sometimes, Reza. I definitely do. I 100% do.
Yeah, at least gonna admit it, man. That matters.
Like, yo, it's literally like just, I don't know, bro. My psychology like flip flops so much. I
think it's just more. How long you been training for? 2 years?
Yeah, again, like it's been like a year, like 4 months of like 6 a.m.s and then like 8 months of just like running around, just trying stuff, you know, like everything
Pull
else.
back on the 4 hour.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, I'm flipping drive up here. Yeah.
And like, honestly, I think this was really tough for me because like in person, like I'm very chill and I don't really get stressed. But then like taking the trading journey was like the first time I really felt like stressed and
It's a
like
whole different
you know,
experience, right?
I don't know, like I didn't know how to deal with it. Cause like I'm very chill and like nothing like. I think it's like my life's been pretty good. It's the lack of failure, and I think a lot of people have that. It's like you don't
You're
run into
afraid
so
to
much
fail?
failure.
Your ass needs a beating.
Yeah, yeah, like if you haven't failed that much in life, then you don't know how to deal with failure as much, you know. So I
So
think
tell me you never failed in
failure-
life. Crazy.
No, but like you know, like
Yeah, I know
I
what you
don't
mean.
see like a bedroom full of like strippers or something.
like obviously I failed, but like for example, as far as like say like school goes, that was like the main thing in my life, right? I've always got like pretty good grades. Hasn't been
Like
great.
Dan Bilzerian never failed at life.
Brand never failed in life. Yo, you know, getting famous was an experiment to him apparently.
I don't know. But that guy is one successful motherfucker.
Yeah. When you enter a trade and it goes against you, all your strategy, psychology is thrown out the window, and that's exactly what I'm trying not to happen.
Because trading is like completely different. I know, like I know people who are
It's different from
disciplined. They
everything.
come
It's
in.
still, like,
It's hard to be disciplined in trading as well, though. You know, it's very hard, especially when you're first starting off.
yeah.
I don't know. For me, like I was not disciplined at all when I first started trading chat like, at all. So it took me a long time to really adjust and, you know, get used to the hang of
Disciplina.
things. Yeah.
Don, would you blow your account over time? Like when you blew accounts, or would it happen like in a day?
Oh man, it happened like in a week or something. Depends. Sometimes a week, sometimes a day, sometimes it depends on how aggressive I was feeling those days. But yeah, most days, man, most accounts are blown within a couple, like a week or two for sure.
That's when Don had his white belt in Forex.
Yeah.
Yo, this how it usually goes though when I first
He's
started.
like
It was
a
like
10th degree black belt now in Forex.
it was like first it was like, okay, you start account up, you're doing good, you're doing great, you're like, ah shit, I got this in the bag now, man, I'm not losing, it's good. And you take that one loss and now you just want to over leverage, and man, it was so bad. Over leverage, over trading comes in, you want to make all your losses, and it's like it's just a cycle again, man. Like you lose your
Yeah,
account and then
that's
you
the
start a new
cycle,
account,
bro.
you're like, okay, yo, new account, it's a new me, I'm not gonna do the same, I'm not gonna make the same mistakes again, I'm not gonna overtrade, I'm not gonna over leverage. Next thing you know, you start it up again, you make money on account, you're, oh, I got this in the bag, and then next thing you know, you fall back in the same footsteps, and it's just a repeat
Yeah,
and a repeat and a repeat. And a cycle that you
Yo,
gotta
and
snap out of,
what's-
man.
Yeah, that's what's scaring me, you know, because like I recognize that that's what the cycle that happens.
Mhm.
And so as soon as like I'm like this far now, right? It's like, oh shit, I don't want to like downward spiral into like dog shit again, you know?
Yeah, and that's why it's so key too as well. Like you're a lot like. I think number one thing you gotta understand. I think this is honestly the answer to psychology. Sample sizing. Like once you figure out sample sizing, once you have a playbook, that's all you need in trading, because that helps your discipline, that helps with your technicals, that helps with everything. That's literally all you need. And once you find a strong enough, sample size or playbook, that's all you follow, and you don't care for whatever happens. You don't care for a win. You don't care for a loss. You just repeat the same shit every day. And I think that's it. That's the answer to psychology for me, at
Same
least.
shit, different toiletry, right? But what do you say every day? You want to be a machine, right? So what do you do with computers for them to act out in action? You set parameters, and if they're reached, it does something. If they're not, they won't activate. Like computer will strictly base everything on numbers and parameters, not on its emotions. So a playbook is basically your set of parameters, and as long as you're within those parameters, you should act as a computer. And if it reaches something, there's no, oh, should I enter, should I not enter? This is
Exactly.
the parameters are met. You should enter the parameters for exit are met. You should, like, what would a computer do? It wouldn't think there, it would execute, and then whatever the parameters.
Yeah. No, that's good. That's good, because like that's one thing I actually learned from you guys, because like a lot of your setups were already my setups, right?
Sample sizing and playbook. I'm telling you, that's your parameters.
But I think it was really smart when you guys gave it a name. It made it so much more legit, you know?
Yeah,
Like,
play,
I feel like you're
onion.
very clear cut. Like
Yeah.
I feel like that I have like one or two setups that I've seen happen a lot. But I'm not super like this is exactly what it is, you know?
Yeah, are we all on the same page? We're talking about the same thing, and once it's got a name and they're saying, you can all kind of see that you're all talking about the same thing.
And people could, like, obviously people judge would be like, yo, why is it called Starter Play? Why is it called this, that? But then it's
Well, name doesn't matter.
It's just, the name doesn't matter. It's just something that we recognize, and like,
Plenty of people
why do you
take
think
these
the
same
Head and
positions.
Shoulders got so big? Or like Bullish Flag, Bearish Flag.
Yeah.
It's just a round name that people gave them, and it's just happened to blow up over time. Same thing can happen with the Starter Play in 20 years. Who knows? It can be on babypips.com in 20 years.
Yeah, starter
ways.
play.
I see plenty of other traders take the same play. They just don't call it a seller play. They just
Exactly.
they have it in their arsenal as
Yeah.
something that they see in the charts where they buy or sell or enter, but they don't necessarily have a name or know what it's called. It's a play for them. So, but yeah, I agree with Rosa. Absolutely, giving something a name and defining it. Once you give something a definition, it's so much easier to learn and to teach somebody.
Yep. Well, I just finished editing my video. Thanks for that, Reza. Took me like 5 minutes.
No worries.
Let me just put a caption.
I do that every day. Every day I'm tripping, trust me. We can have the same talk. Hopefully Chad got something out of it. I didn't want to waste everyone's time. Hope Chad got
It
something
was
out of
good
it.
talk, trust me. It was good talk. Sometimes I just gotta do shit, on stream, and it helps.
Yeah, do it. Like we'll take over, no problem.
Sounds like, yeah, sometimes you just gotta do shit.
No, we don't trade US 30 or XP 500. I think Don used to, but on stream we don't never trade it.
Yeah, no. And why is my Instagram Reels acting so weird? For a new video.
Yo, I don't understand how to update my MT5 on the phone, because this shit shows like it's stuck on the screen from like last week with positions from last week.
Pardon?
It's crazy.
We got the 4-hour gold close, and then
Just
now the hour close
shit.
down.
Talking shit about my MT5 not working on the phone.
I don't know, man. Maybe you need an iPhone.
How about no?
How about no? I don't know, man. Android for me, I don't know. Every Android I've ever had in my life, I was crashed.
Crashed?
Yeah, I don't know.
Into
Maybe
what?
crashed to iPhone, man. Yo,
Crashed into an iPhone update.
yes, sir. Yo, stream. Let me break down this forward candle real quick. Forward candle here on GJ. How did it close? Above this resistance here, you would now expect price to drive up towards next resistance up here at 158,200. As long as it respects the previous forward candle low, so you expect something like this to occur, right? I am looking for buys going up for the range there. On this forward candle, maybe like on a small time frame later on once you break out this range here. So for me, It'll be a bias above 157.693 here, going out towards 158. All right, so closure above this range is what you want. And then for gold here, gold for the 4-hour candle closed bearish here, so it looks like it also closed bearish below this range too. So you expect now for price to really drive down towards the next support, which is down here at 1792, to fill this wick as well on a 4-hour candle. So I'm looking for sells. However, it won't be that easy. You need a closure below on a smaller time frame as well. Drop down to a smaller time from here, 30-minute time frame or whatever. I want to say you have a support here that you gotta be aware of. I think if you break below there, those would be the better sells coming down. Below there, coming down towards the next support, which is gonna be somewhere around, like, I want to say around here somewhere. All right, so the range going down in that case is gonna be a 50 pip range going down. Probably wait for a closure, but I'm not gonna lie to you, chat. GJ does look a lot cleaner in gold here. Gold looking pretty chalked because the way the ranges are formed on a small time from here, 30-minute, 1 hour, etc. So I probably will want to stay out of that for now at least. But GJ looks clean here, above 157.639 to 158. All right, chat. But that's about it for today. It's the first stream back in like a week and a half. So hope you guys appreciate the stream today. Hope you guys got something out of it. A win, value, knowledge, psychology, whatever it was. Other than that, peace and love.
Yo, thank you, Don. Thank you, Wiz. Appreciate it.
Yo.
Thank you, Scott, for being here. Appreciate everyone. Best community on that, man. Take care. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Peace out. Yo, yeah, for real. Peace out. Take care, guys. Take care.
Long to speak, but I was on tour with Gwen Stefani. I'm sorry for the hand that she was dealt, for the embarrassment that she felt. Just a little young girl trying to have fun. Her daddy should never let her out that young. I'm sorry for clubs and getting shut down. I hope they manage better next time around. I was out to know she was underage, in a 21 and know the club they say. Why doesn't anybody wanna take blame for rising back out, disgracing my name? I'm just a singer trying to entertain, because I love my fans.